Ya mo ache mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade eso de adu so no ye Badwam kase ensama etodwa wo mu bi ya obetini MPP amanyoko no esekwan a OSP edura Ken Ofori Atta efaso na nyane kwa paso eno no ye de honsem no ebebro na afi yakwa akohye de ekuokuma wo mrahye bedwafie mu hunu ne sei political attacks bi na ekoso wo ma famu no nso no enyane kwan so no sansem no ene nsema hodo bi ena no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwadomonline.com and same way any bebre so ewo ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mienti said en semni chiremu ankasa etie MPP amanyoko no ene edi tudwa se OSP ekwan a wode owura Ken Ofori Atta kanefu to send him my Ghana faso no nyame ni mu ni enye ne kwampaso no won aye nsentwefo nhia mu no de nsema hudwe etudwa
Ken Ofori Atta lawyer for etrobre o se ewo mu watu kwan kra che kikakọ besumu ni enu watu kwan enti no o hwe na mpomu de na yaresa enti obo beba o si da bi wonto ho ase enti no omomfa ebre a obeba emra omukan ya na afi hospital krampa yewura Ken Ofori Atta wo no omuto okrata ede bre wo se aha no obo wo hwehwe na abehu no wa ha yewura special prosecutor embeka asem yenti a wose wo hwehwe yewura Ken Ofori Atta wo hu no na eno na ya asefem sanse ya kase obi dwane afiri mra wana se nipa no hwehwe na ekira kwan kra wo hu no wayira na chi yewura Ken Ofori Atta ekọ wasre kwan okoye wasa atro krata asasre kwan ohonso ne na lawyer for di kwan edi nsawoso wasa kra the hospital a okọ no kra krata asakwa koma wo
enrich no Henry na bochi san nsem we say tudwa
yero mahama ebra oba ye hu se utwa saboni bi a o se ka ho ase esi dan na obi a ye de Ghana sika ama no $200 million se onkosi adan 200 units na emom went me 5000 units went me 5000 no o si 1005 no kwan so wanwie ebu ha ya mboso ebu o kwan pa foundation level ye nwie ya anya hwe na ye de na court na ye busa ye sika no ba bia kwa akodi a osuma wato ni genu a wo so onko yi ni mpie onpepa no ho onhohoro ne ho we one man position say tax force hatch ono na enda no
enti wo sansem we mu ne nsema hodo bi no kokuma wo mrahye bedwafie mu se hu behia pa se yete Commission of Inquiries na won ye hwehwemu edefa sede ye tatai ye kane aban mu adwumayefo bi.
For such incidents to occur under a government that once vehemently condemned the use of military force in political matters or for political ends is not only the height of hypocrisy, but also a shameful betrayal of democratic principles.
Anso wono mu a ode to Ghana aban wen mo se won mo munem ho bi obi biara wo hye kire bia no aban ne mbɔ ne ho modin ase obetimi ma ya che wo mo se de be ya mra no ene o mbedi se de se na efata.
While political persecution takes root in Ghana, this country belongs to all of us, and no administration has the right to weaponize state institutions against its political opponents.
Na menosunti majority leader Mahama Yariga na ene watchere mo sa national security coordinator Adia Tumo se won mo na call kane finance minister Ken Ofori Atta efie yenti eyade se ode eho achawpa na nuhu ababonti akase no etosi.
Let me indicate to my colleagues on the other side that this side of the House remain committed to ensuring that this country is reset, that its institutions function properly, that its officials act in accordance with the law, and that the rights and liberties of every citizen are upheld.
Anso honomwa domkuma ne bano dani Alexander Fenyomakin enso we chire mu se one kane soafo a ohwe my Ghana sika sem so Ken Ofori Atta edinkomo na mprempren ya de ne my Ghana emu Emrepemu ordinary bachelor my emu na nhwemu bi wose kosubia no etumi akoso.
Within reasonable time, I'm sure he would come. I will also engage the office of the special prosecutor, engage constructively, assure him and his office that if there was any miscommunication, I, as a leader of my side, is assuring him that the man will make himself available. He left the country with permission. He would come, and if there is anything that has to be investigated, he will make himself.
Yamongra Yensan for Fromo, na National Service Authority in Penofonso, and a can Sisudia Biomo say, Nia one mobile bia ma a National Service Secretary Authority. Ejane na so ghost names no media wo mu ni ho so din wo mu ni ade be ye free ho no omobehwe so ombeye
ye bo modern ko auditor general ho f the cartoon enim findings are preliminary findings an ye nya ena ya san so afro so omombra no ye den omombra na omoma mehwe aniama mu a ye ahihye ade no mu ahwe ne kumasibre ye ne national security force so ekodi nkita ho ye ne BNI anase NIB force so ekodi nkita ho minim say ye ne other private audit firms so ye den edi nkita ho say aside the government there be no let's also get the private side so na ye ntumi ye den enkambo ni ye nhwe say ye betumi ahye bebia problem ne kese na iden efri na ye tumi esia no kwan
eno echi no Ruth said o sand to just say enese oni e ka say National Service Authority ensetimi aka sika bia omanfo de wonka beye bosome bebria etwemu no wono mo betua ni nyina ama wono mo a enche bia wono mo nsa ebeka
yeah, by say 3 weeks pemu na yeden. Yeah, well, this is the 16th day. Na Yankupon aye Adom His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ashe na Honorable Finance Minister ashe na yedi sikano atum ye kase enra enyumre enra all the way from enra ne enra echi nyina no ye accounts department omanda ye gina omo so a omo so omo agepenia omo eye ho adwuma gidigidi.
Also for ya washo education so Haruna Idruso de to achechefo nyina nim se won ho ekwan e betumi aboa e ma nkra ba wani ma won fere won suro na no betumi aka ho bi aboa ma ya ne ade kire ayakono.
Very honored that you have decided as general sponsors to support the Teachers Award. Its significance lies in the fact that you are impacting the life of students both in the classroom and in their long-term success. Whether they will succeed or not hinges on the quality of our teachers. To our teachers, create positive atmospheres of engagement for our people and our students.
And which no registrar of the National Teaching Council no Dr. Christian Adepoku and so the Abosabodian Sem Ecomo one I ka with Tibuma what did you make share so say a bit me a bosh of some crying ama what who Ashemobi.
Our revered sponsors, we appreciate you because you know the value of education and what our teachers go through to deliver the quality we expect. We appreciate you because you love teachers and you never forget that you are all where you are today because of us, the teachers. Our sponsors, we appreciate you because of your diverse support that are so beautiful and invaluable.
About time bia warmo makochra wasi ewi akire waye kede won sato so no ene whatever one more the one akokot bono mantam no emu ede atitu kase no edeba
awofo a omomma eye exams eye in last waye exams a omoye ya omo say enyama bi akosunti omo withhold results na MC parents no etna say ehwe say ntichiremu a waye kede ba no entasum no after omo invite omo ma omo ba office no omo hu say ese omo ba court ti ye ba court ne ya application ade ba ye friend say mandamus
and wachi about time so the source say
yeah to say almost on the 28th of this month no Andrew no more release results no yes so my message we family media for so say ye the farm so say wayek for motion kawo na ya nkwala na omo with their omo resource na omo hold no omo twa ba ko ma ye ne omo bedi no nyunu
efiri bi ese 2 weeks ni e sha ase e na omo eye kikikiki no omo sha ase omo release mathematics e ma enkola ni bi no na we di pefe se de ye ka se wayek only evidence bia no na wo hold exams ne keke no e no kre
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be ma kwan anopai ye de asiase dan koma wo mre no wada agya wo de fam ye wada roma the bonkrata online de no so ye de to so ye basisia ye da se ye mo akwa ba bi mra Adom TV Badwam djumade no eso ye mo akwa ba shonkopa happy birthday enkomo bia na mu nyina mo ye me valentine what ya se nyame nkoso enhyehye obia na urade enren candle ye dono odono enye te sa maman ati ase no ebe te sa maman a ejaminu mienu so hawa ye pese eye wati ase nti se de tie bia no se wu a won se bia wa be 10 years ni da kro na mu Mr. enne de odaruma ye mpie kakra yenya nkra ne magrama ana se nani ahu ne ye nkose one corner bi uma ho be 7 to ana o de 8 to 10 ho a na mo ama reflect what did me chire yase say 10 years ago na odono na ete say enkra no ba mu na akowie say enti memma enkra no me yes standing block because before enkra no be ba no na ye wo hodada ti mo odono emra emfa ho chire nkasa bebre na ye nia obetumi kakra bi ketua bi ensa ebia no wantumi amfa na nko na bia mo hono a modem hono a ne mo design red and white bi kakra e wo ho na so wo light blue ni bo ho a ene yusu anu mum ati ase wa krokro nkra na pepe chocolate bi amom na je say ni odo ahoma so na me ye ebi mo ho mo do na wu ma me ahoma na ntum ene ase e kire do sa wo yire se wo kunu se wo boyfriend or girlfriend bi kire no odo girlfriend you see that so baba wa no nti sa ba chiche ho na be wie na wanwa na wanwa wa so be sinte ho de ya steady just said you nim say you wa odia and oba utumi ka enye odia de ya very careful o ma me bi o papa bi kura nso utumi kire odo kire no ohun e wo odo kire no e wo niam ahodo bebre line sinini 0302211701 702703 704 0302211701 702 703 704 now so waba radio fosu anope ye chiamo ye mamwache emamo akwaba papa enti no ye de bonkrata no ebebro na ye bie phone line si de wadaroma then ye wonso waba mene ye incoming ora Bismarck akwesi ensia ena ewo ha no pe be me na no pe me chia we
so happy birthday
thank you se bibia boko
ya mi adom ye ma do fo nyina so happy birthday
sir
we ye mra ye nchire odom fa ma ye ho ye nyi ye mu no nipa obi ya de ma so ma nani nso woni nso ne nipa kron se o ampa ade na wo ye ma me de mani aso o kine bo ye wo fro de amowa o nwinwi aye ododa to chocolate che obi ni efe Christ ado for the kehwa na hwo no so ano na ka mo twe ko sa ni akofo ha ni akwenside bia ba relationship bia mo ma enne enyi mfamfiri ho no nipa ho ahometi ba se bi ntimi ne mo antena nipa ho ahometi
we de enu amekraman ufimi se kom de no oye bibia na mse kom do kofa bo ne bra na ogina ho so nti aboade oye da untimi enipa den so yenwene na ati ase yenya first caller yemfa no medofo pa happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Same to you.
Thank you, my dear. Now, free free, no pay.
Make us free. Abono Lake Bosomchi, Ashanti region.
Yo, be many yentie we neno ya day.
And then many kesi pa say eche odo dia ma ya dofo. Na be se me fa konya we so chire odo so nkopa mu odin ne mu so ne mu ye bare chinchina etwan do. Be de chire me ma me owo me. E se no ama gifty.
Okay.
Watamachi ajima baba odipa onyemso no de do adopa obom ho ban wakura me wajitima baba de maku school bedun pempenso si ya me bese de obi a se otimi a mani mu se mani so me da oda na didi a che me film mo fa bedun pempenso si
that's it
ti ama gift bi wo bia na me onhyira wo pa
amen mo so akai no ti akisime so ewo so akisime happy birthday
Sita me das pa masum Sita na wa kire sam pa birthday ni di ampa
o esi edi
esa so ho fasio no wa kire pa
edase
Sita wa da ma se bi da me kamesi nyonku bi su nia nti wo hwa se hwe kwa wo ba hima na brand ni wa ono na blibia waso mu kakra wa kasa woni abema kisi na kodu ba madri na mentimi nkasa birthday e ma na brand wa bra me nkasa me ro ba pa fe I'm a mobile film, I'm a flawless. And they are not bombing Quampa. It's as a benefit. Sabama, remember, you not a young Quampa, I also told the answer to the name of Quampa. It's happy birthday, so come on, or Papa, I'm a flawless.
Yes, that's it. Papa, will be a maybe a moody. Young called the one cratano so na Yemra online so.
Papa, say, okay.
And you Saka or Saka, happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's if I like your spirit this morning. I read Cosway Shrow, then the church road Donald left and right as how my and no.
Miguel Saka one and me dream here me pa because I see I think you are a West.
Okay.
Minya, Unia, Koku, the mom happy Valentine's Day pa. What? Edase pa na me fẹ́ so nkoma me maame abura o wa sedu kwa o maame kwakwa o atanti krom nia enchi na me fẹ́ bi so papa honorable Kofi Atante oni honorable Eric Apple we kese pa koma his excellency Don Dramani Mahama na me fẹ́ last one ma me yire Damaris Amwa Atta.
Yeah, that's it. Papa, body and so. About your happy birthday.
Yo, Vedawashi, Uncle
That's it.
You can be a capacity pa or getting a brabumu. Birthday, young. The Cassie could be other kind of a kind. Now may come back, cook pepper, Madame Flu, Achimoda, a fun and we must say, Mama, the first day, in fact, also Opoku, Shahodiwati. Now, as I see a warrior, if you are just you know, you should be has a second so, and no gradia, a baby. Same crisis, no catch him, you will feel that. It's me money happy party. I watch him more than. Because it's free in Coconut Road. Yaminka bibia
amen
munya so enkamu so bi
yeah that's your for so me don't for no pay me mo ache mo akwa happy birthday
me je so do munya ba
yeah that's it entie we be me na
mpacho nana je ka chawra penso ba me chairman
aha nti ene no the birthday o de ne ye hwe ni mu
intention no wona obi je phone na birthday na nganga se me yere na ya on so man birthday Mammy Akuya Daba, also on the theatre, man of birthday. Now, DC office, none ye, only in a Valentine's Day. Now, you about me in the year of Valentine's Day. The master, you come away.
Yes, she does say, you have a course in Isiana. Last scholar, honorable, and not a honorable woman at Seco. Oh, so honorable, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, man.
More, honorable, not a hen, I will fray.
Pacho mi fafi akin kaduaso awo atuma east.
Yo, pacho yentio.
Pacho anopai mitia aya mi MP honorable Abra sorry. Awo atuma east. In an happy birthday kasepa. Ya bi so mi toki mutoyire aya batam pancha me bone mani medisi. Oboni medisa. Sana yawa mani atia uyetia dani etuso so. And I can also form happy birthday.
More no watching it saying, can you ever cause Nisi here? Now, young Codo Boncrata so. I don't know. I didn't bend the
graphic in Sud.
Got it, Sano. No more Montre, my dear new. Oh, but then I ufi. 1 month, then I if you my mantem, the say. Yes, what she will be not cab, but my money, and one I'm making. We wouldn't yet know what only why, and yes, I'm for daily graphic. We are friend, and I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Oh yes, I'm in the Canada.
Political class must hold itself accountable. Majority leader. Eturam hama yarga na eka say. Say wona enya tumidie ni akwanya we amanyo semu no. Se bi oni ohuni. Se ne be ya. O kire bi woni officer. Obi metata wo. Emfa se bia meto so. Committee probes recruitment into security agencies. It Interior Minister Paul Bejoko bi so bonhwem. Wona ye Paul mo nansi yakọ ye police ajiboko mu no. So mo so ne ye ka ne be ka omo a ne ye yomu nyina so if no bi akọ akotena fie. Agric Ministry rolls out irrigation for wealth creation in 8 regions. It almost the abano irrigation for wealth. So they are planting for food and jobs creation. No, say the irrigation for wealth. Ena aba. Iti mantam mochi. Ena enya so emphasis. Kappa of also abando muka $370 million US. Sa abaya ntwia obedu mo fidie. Odum na dum so beba. It's Daily Graphic Adom. The Guardian publisher, Esiama unfit for Bank of Ghana, says CDM charges Mahama to terminate his appointment. Eti ankrakra ko bi enhia ba ase. CDM for so na eka se pedi apa ne se on hwe etire se governor of Bank of Ghana, Ora Esiama on se fatase be pa na makuru sa di branch ba pedi Mahama entwene dwumadi ne nyina ensensan. History will judge NDC minority slum state sponsored intimidation. Etima me Patricia Pierre deputy minority leader so na eka say e say dachi bia tebo kese pa na beba NDC for so say water tie eye domkuma emumpenifo bi. Majority apologizes over attack on Ofori Atta. Eti majority leader ye Owura Mahama Yarga so na di chopade akoma Owura Ofori Atta say national security for Bora the fee betete no onfa enche abana enye boapayom. Efutu Traditional Council launches 2025 Abuache Festival and ya pa enho entuma. The Ghanaian publisher enonafia.
Enti yakwa adomonline.com on so a Owura Afenema na ono so kasa se kane foto sani Ofori Atta so de say I traumatized. Say the omo ye na so wo ha wo tete. Say the tie bia no obeba na nia e wo say OSP enene ka efa ho no obeye krado na wabeyi ano to Owura Afenema na kasa so no afe opinion Manase Azuri Awuni na watchre say appear stadium Mohammed Godfrey and what to opinion watchre about online.com no afe Interior Minister so inaugurate 7-member committee so mo review security service recruitment no yana security service no ye recruitment yana nyama bi koso Interior Minister Muntaka Mohammed and so at the committee be aba na one more mwafe MPP so esusu say Richard Dapa ono eka one more call can for to send ni Ken Ofori Atta ni fie ho no ono so eka ho afi MPP so na na boache national organizer say one my krado abai to on safre one more bibie mu no womo ebebantu badomonline.com and same way ni bebre so eka ho ewo ho a okenkan a ebeboa won ti no ya wie de bonkrata ni we no nti bia ye besa to aso afa phone lines no se bre no aso kra kakakra bi aka be 3 minutes nti yem mie biem 0302211701 703 so friend ne brother jackpot no ye wie no I thank Ghana wo twagum because wo weekend stay e wo baby wa obedi mu nkunimu no jackpot enye normal sika no we jackpot no beto a na wo hu se emu eduru ankasa enne kwasi na meka mo nkyere do nkyere bia menka se emema no nko ankyere do nkyere ntina meka ye wanim saa no meka se oba nso ye nti wo wa ye ode se be ya oba no so be ndi wa ye ode wa ye ode
maye
you know ye we mfiri wakuma obowa
but maye
obowa dia na ye
makumamu
okay dia na ye
dia
na ye dem yo dia na ye ode
bible kura ka se papa nsani
family sawara eda oso no papa wa ye nti tu mema no efo na momo odo no anya adwuma Thomas ene minua bebe ya na mwe foodin kakra Stefano no we banom mo nkyere odo nke be chocolate nesu chocolate ya he mo toto mo ye ye ni di mam samu de munni munni ebe mani ni ade no Alaji Gonja Abaso Alaji happy birthday
Good morning.
Morning, Alaji.
Bacho, me Pierre Coma, Adom and Sancho for Nina, Santo Wone, Miamia, Aquacinsia. Media would do about FMA. That is a job when you have the same one, Kagana, based on some Africa. That's the three. I mean, to condemn so this is Shira. Yes, that's it. Yes,
that's it. Obey Swaba, obey Happy Val's Day. Yanko Adom, now, Ofori him, Papa. Okay, yo, low TV no volume no my kakra. Yeah, that's a pan until.
I feel ultimate.
Oh, it's on Kappa.
Yo. There was a quam with your mammy saying, if you can show the money, if she but the now, then I suppose the papa will tell me on one share on the good side. I mean, she on the fire. It was a game, so I'm not sure. Also, make sure the fire, but the quite lame with a special so Mama Quang.
Yeah, that's it. Papa. When you're good talk, and I'm American say, Kennedy, Kwesi, what's now watch it? 10 years, 15 years. Think of no, can I must say, on Meno, on I'm doing case study, Sabri. Massa, one of Jinaha, it's one minute for member, come so muti. Into one me who direct and the SM catch out direct, Sabe or Musibeti, to Wadaroma. My worry for years, CD. Kasisem kakra nanka celebradio aqua safari and kasa kakra be just a day mo weekend or dono na wakai ushi and the first no skills no
obeyem cause
yenya last call me do for happy birthday.
Oh, the same to you.
Yeah, that's the bemena.
We advise as a man Kufolobia.
Okay.
With the Emcoma, Ama Achewa, or Florida Conquanta.
Okay.
And I second why I'm not shipping penny. On my boom, okay. I had GPR, the 2 1 here. A Yakophobia, penny power and taffy. Or senior man, and Ninty, has to see you what that. You're fantastic. Some perform any ones or chassis, and the true or to get the man. About the
that's a pa, young for course, Nisi, I'm so Tramiso, and so no one of Macano. The tintin in TTM one say, and ne P. And as a wound P cry, no so make kind. Oh, them one, so blue lights and a so and so white, no. Why you're red or white like balloons to be near, dear. Oh, it's a sunny amo, my dear. Oh, don't on your trial, Cacrebi, a man you're difficult. So it's a Marcia. Of course,
difficult.
The Monian, sir, a sweeter form, Mano, Sarah, blessing. Cow bedrian, Nina, the Abba, sister Monini, Monye, Casasana, the Achiasa. A radical be about Yadamo say, Yadomo papa, Yah, quay good young Sembeba, Nafi health tips, Abba. I was a pencil beba. Asemidi kan wo komo ba ku mienu bi na afin pensem mo abeno ne bedwam no koso ahwe edase.
Right, fantastic morning. Thank God it's Friday. And as Yankopon le yaba. Na me kase 7 drops so dey say fata se ote a chine kufu de bra o. Kete wese enye dodoro bia. And if I see a konkon na Afrolac Lotto na dey abasa se ye me kan show so bit me disika e wo mo akache se wudi omo e no mo pe enye so omo edi wo enti yere ho ne dibi na e fie da na Val's Day kakra be di uboto mu a what me show kakra ne ade a kire wo do yes enya sam keto a enne so na e sika special edition no meka wasam area charles star 281 hash was select the option 7 na kwambia so do ho agimo ye ma wonu akoma mu tofi treaty pa enye easy enti fa ho gym na oye ba ko bia 10 Ghana cedis eti ka kwaje wa no de abesha kwaje no de abesha enti diska wa Afrolac Lotto star 741 hash na wode wo ho agimo sa anra na Europa League and a Conference League ebetia simni ahwesa ne ho nsamasia te Bernard Parebo me producer Kejuwa Nankasani Eric Asiedu body AS Roma I train draw and Fenerbahce tena fi winning 3-0 you say Marino in the Mantiano then of course aside that quite away a couple of Midtjylland by 2 goals to 0 and on Samana Magellan side out the Echo Bono said Galwati Fima Ayas about the coming want to me here, and of course is attack ma bought Galatasaray by 4-1 POKFC. Start Bucharesti Echo Bono coming in man team back FC Porto and Roma Medican catcher say a year 1-1 and a FC 20 a Bodo glimpse by 3-1 Bodo we Europa League on some idea and of course Kupiemo was Conference League most of matches so across Europe matches across this weekend and net equity ne kwasi that's one and what that's for say be catcher you know say EPL no and some in terms of the fixtures yes and there was Arsenal and Leicester City airport early kickoff Arsenal and Leicester early kickoff for Aston Villa and it switched down Fulham and in Northern Forest Manchester City and Newcastle United Southampton and Bournemouth now West Ham United and Brentford about Crystal Palace and Everton and Airborne in the EPL. And tika shaden so sa FMMA. We koye and we EPL na won sam yanko Liverpool Wolves Herbal na Tottenham Hotspur and so Jan na so the matches. That is a match a super this weekend enya sam keto akra. Shaden so mama say yeka EPL na semono and Chelsea and Brighton and Herbal. Chelsea versus Brighton and then Yumri and one running na 8 p.m. na sa match no. Basso in the La Liga, Girona and Getafe and a dear PM so Leganes, this Sporting and Deportivo Alaves, Osasuna, Real Madrid, 3:15. Nafi Atletico Madrid, ne Celta de Vigo, so about Villarreal and Valencia and a boy Saturday games. Plus, the Espanyol Athletic Club Bilbao at 1 p.m. Real Valladolid, ne Sevilla, Mallorca and Las Palmas, Real Betis, ne Real Sociedad. And at the airborne we the La Liga you don't want some and so Bayanco Italian Serie A in your Serie A want some is here there's Bologna and Torino now Atlanta Cagliari so airball extra and then Bologna and Torino dear Basso now Lazio in Napoli AC Milan Hellas Verona and so na day on Saturday Sunday Fiorentina and Como and airball early 11:30 na some match and Basso Monza and Lecce. So at the bo any nafi mukopimwa Udinese ne Empoli Parma and Roma Juventus Inter Milan that is a big game Barcelona this weekend in the Italian Serie A. German Bundesliga ne mukopimwa the Barcelona Bayern Munich versus Leverkusen. That is a big game Barcelona in the Bundesliga. Channel so sa FAM mame. Now Afrilac Lotto can one up any some right here bro. Yanko na yanko here ko Sophie. Honorable Sports Minister Ofori Atta then some tuga as a football pen or by waka can was saying at subim say list finance sports no yadea on any behenepa.
For this fundamental achievement, that is the provision of a training facility for athletes of the Federation. Although this is a basic requirement, the enormous challenge to most sporting associations in Ghana is availability of facilities and equipment to train and prepare for competition. I must say with this, the weightlifting in Ghana can say we are ready to win even more laurels. We are all aware of the vision of His Excellency to reset the country and work with all citizens in building the Ghana we want. And it is on this principle that we call on all, irrespective of your thoughts, your beliefs, to put in the little that you can in order for us to lift, at least in this case, our sports up, because that is my interest. Those who are conversant with the party's manifesto are aware of the ambitious but necessary plans to improve the quantity, quality, and sustainability of sporting and recreational facilities across the nation, and subsequently our athletes. Because when we have these facilities, our athletes, we must also improve upon them, and through regular training.
Sports Minister Ofori Atta and Simon no Abrana weightlifting for a power more a dying hunt tomorrow across sports and they can this our story no and they abroad that no yanko the Black Satellites of Ghana. But before then, Shannon Somami said net me can catch you say a draw kase pa na a basso or a sika so, and of course it's a vast day to a special drop and they start to try no pay and sana draw no aba so star 281 hash no select option 7 na what do a special sika draw a special vast day drop jackpot or a basso ultimate a winner one wa ko mo tofi e ma mo treat ya bi mada oba enjoy pa mo say yes why enjoy ma ho about star 281 hash option 7. Yadika catch out that. Say if you next week you you better draw ewo Badwam so ti debia amount 3 draws be 25,000 miensa na 2,000 miensa 1,005 miensa sansa o hwe TV no na odi kakra gu bottom and the days of o hwe TV na to say kana twam esa wo hwe na wudi you are watching you are eating na bibia timi akoye kama pa so ewo hormona yanko na 20 side Black Satellites of Ghana me no ka say no the CAF na 20 Africa Cup of Nations baso ewo Cote d'Ivoire me no ka say the draw na ba betodwa Ghana draw no group a ewo munye shane so mame Cote d'Ivoire, DR Congo and Tanzania, and Group B Nigeria, Egypt, South Africa, Morocco. Group C Senegal, Zambia, Kenya, Sierra Leone. We and send a group no and so a C at tier animal. And over Ghana group of the Martins and Yabadisa, Befanisa, 13 teams, and they're competing from the 26th of April to the 18th of May 2025. Now, one better so first, second, third, fourth, next, all qualify for the semi-final. One make it to the FIFA Under-20 World Cup, and also be back in September. Chile, and the American Ghana between make it to the World Cup. You because you didn't World Cup, and see actually party. You say could Desmond Affair, then the man tell me ate on minor anymore. Shannon Sosa and so FM Mame. Now you can the mega jackpot, the classic jackpot, and one some at that show or Afrilac. 2 types, and from 1 Ghana city to 20 Ghana cities. Wait me a winning mega jackpot game, no. Now can be so what pick 6 numbers from a pool of 57 balls. Now what made 17.5 million with just 5 Ghana cities. 70 million so shall I or 20 Ghana cities in AJ. It's a nyasam get to akra. There's no pick your numbers. No this can go bottom 10% discount. So how bit my issue LEC code na what me at the nyama make kan nyina. Fra feel like 4 9 mu bia ho a omo emfa emma 0303 957 964 0303 957 964 and 0303 958 006 0303 958 006. Afrilac Lotto, kama pa. Afrilac 4 pay na day. Sabono at the bread war. Now you can say still now the Ghanaian Premier League is on hold. This weekend games and Maso, the General Secretary of the Ghana Football Association, will prosper and I order some to a prosper St. Adom. Or Chilemusadabi, Yagusu Ayan say almost the air modalities about to grab, say improve your security and the Shaya de Sia Kainono. Tia Sadia Nakwan Biasono, Yan Shaya, Nabibia Timiako, we know Biajet Tum Via, Nafini, Tessim, na Yabo Ligino. It's an understanding 7 city and Nanopea, Yade air brewo el Hodamo. There kind of sad or no, Messiah will be the amount. So a 2-night stay, welcome drinks and chocolates on arrival dinner, romantic dining with live band. A special massage, just say the more romantic boat cruise, complimentary zoo tour. Ninano, Ubenya Osika, and that special jackpot. Anymore. Star 281 hash, now was selected option 7. Now this guy. And they go bottom. What's saying Eddie that treater, ya de ma ono so bi. Now no akon motofe. Mako jojo mo ho. Say ya wo yere, say wa kolum hia, ya de mfa ho de hia so no partner no, and amoko akogimani. Nko akwa enye de ese obi kan ho ye ko no wesake me ko mututu nti se ko je ni osika se a ese ko no tutu anya tre me ka so wo guest minu nti wo de guest minu na eba na wa ware tu nti wo do yire mutu na eba 1:1 na yakwa ko je ni star 281 hash option 7 and akwa vast the idea medical ebo mu dada se kwan bia so no dwani ni pansa hwe wa ko mu to fe na ma na fili nti ni ye ma ta jackpot yi what's my man who come to a feeling at and I your best day. Or Kopiemo or Care do gas over the stove company. What you say, yes, Mr. Ebenezer Kwabenadu, who now is CEO of K Adu Gas Oven and Stove Company. We are Valentine Papa and CEO with your birthday. Kia do fantastic happy birthday going out to you. I mean share my now I come so said be on your mouth. A quantity apomudin wom na cash so wom. Cash the wom and the extra and the ama wakuma pano Yankopon man nya kwada. Oma wo ente so aba. Aba na o ma ate no e yan kwatenten apomudin wom na obi bia so beto toyi na o mo asuma dwo. Amo homie in every endeavor of your life. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Amen. Happy birthday going out to you. O hwen no pen so a ye ma happy birthday. And if you da hwe ho yi, yes birthday nti we bejeja ho ko se mu rough and go se mu rough. Say be do next month take on the results over. Be careful. Yeah. Bernard Padi will try me producer. Yes, I know wakai at the Nankasa Kakijwane ho. Erica said you body near Mrs. Fiaman kwa tamakro. At the apomodi on some to us. We are not going to feed 23. At the answer person bebro. Koswa, the Herbal.
It has seen and so many more Badwam TV, bedroom health tips. Now what years, yeah, dear pa, kaka, Joe Bitty Paye. The singing in our opposite singing there to Tuana, penesa, near shows with full. Ye ne into Kayon, Naomi, or Barton a drum, or Barton and Mwaka near Nas sing. Your money out of an affair, young share and net treatment.
Show me that say. Treatment, a back kaka. The number one thing I can say, when in them are branding them. Say, Obana to Chrono, a young call pulp nima, you beat me a normal feeling, CBM. Okay, silly to Chrono, said a bear encore inside, not encore fat. I drink amber. Say, I call inside and put a pulp nima. The beat me a free root canal therapy and a root canal treatment. Infection now, I call root nimo. You be go inside the teeth. We infection meaning frame. Now the artificial arteries anyway no pulp ni asheho. And even though a scene but a ho a bit me a restart a bit me BBA. Okay. A scene free ho Emma equino embeda ho. And now say you hear I say no I say krawa mantema. Okay. You be two. Okay. Say you two at nyame adom in the nyama technology ye were replacements. Okay. Say implants for her. Okay. That the be share near the CNBS so okay. Be using a normal bridge for her so one so cry and or denture and now say via plast. Okay. All these things no are treatment planner. Ye work for your patient. It is the moment I will be home. Say them are coming in an who now the bar stage at Edrubia home treatment. Say empo say ye tua. You bet me replace. Okay. Amount. Okay. But me dear. Come in pese bedru say ye be two. Me dear. Me pese bedru say ye be two. Ye bomodea na anyway ni mu ya no o de bra dental clinic ni bo nche da nye densa o bakra na the cost is higher. There is a treatment plan. Okay. You nyese o ba ya scan no there's a treatment plan ye be kasa obi kwati mi be genesi 3 months 4 months asa na o be tuaka. Okay. Aesthetically perfect smile. You want to give everybody a perfect smile, sir. Into ba said the how niti bia no we will sit down with you you know be kasa you know be planning. Okay. The treatment ni be stage B will be oba you will think about it. My location no me patch me wo Adenta New Legon. Okay. Adenta New Legon. Tadu Adenta New Legon. No so new Lego Medical Center me no eben. Okay. The moment I'll do one because I'll perfect smile. Everybody will show you fresh so you say wait me am direction. Your home service so. Okay. So won't mean by kwan wa now free it me the name ba fie na e ba be show at the comfort of your home. Actually number is 0243 728542 0243 728542. Actually me fa akwenya we so na madam me better half as Mr. AK appear. Thank you very much. He's been so much support to Perfect Smile Foundation and then Prophetess Kate Asante. No, Perfect Smile is their bedrock. So you are seeing us the Perfect Smile today because someone no carrying the shoulder. Now madam team. Why are there do? Yada senior addition out there maye. Yada say, Dana say freno. Na wonu mu ho ha nko adia obejo Faster than to be a mind point homeopathic clinic. Nintio, the Timi Bora Perfect Smile Foundation. I dental surgeon technician.
Augustina Mensa Ifim Edisa Nkomoyi free endpoint 0244867068 0244867068 we are nko adia free no da sene nkwa hoden ewo ho a na wotwofo ebesim na yedi nkomofofo medidi afia amankwa atamaplomida me team ni nyina nso ase me editor Gina aseda nkomo yedase edase yamo kwa babie mradum TV Badwam dwumade no eso happy birthday kese enkoma ya hwefo nyina ekire ne benche baby a wo bia no ne kire wodo ekire bia oben wo bia wohunu se wo kire na do yeye no kire no emfa ho se ye wukuna na wo yire obia wo maame wo papa wadamfo bi obi na ye bibia mo na pese wo kire no do a eye unya chocolate de mana e no so kasem ni nyina ti happy birthday enkoma mu nyina yeda se papa na mu sesem kakra de bia meka sesem fiti amache no makasa nti mu sesem baby a mada no mada ho 5 years and na wo sesem a hu se e be fine eda se papa tome emse weba ne mo kasenti no wada wo ma na watie ni yi amaye me wo Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic and Spiritual Center e wo ha penifo mo akwa abai na happy birthday so enkoma mo
we come on so
that's Alhaji ntimiani so what's it bia the nyamia se papa the Spiritual Center Herbal Clinic and Spiritual Center wadama ye dog ne ma hodo awe
odi ebefa akonya kese a odi amame na no pai so na ye de nchia amagana fo nyina ebia no obi ahwem ba bi da obi so atie mi da beto nyantu na mama maso ye ho medin a obam gise no traditional herbal doctor Alhaji Ahama Idris opanye kwanche fo menam da Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic and Spiritual Center na no pai bia na obi tie mi na hawo ne amane bi aye kwankro Adam so wasi machini a doctor senim diefo ahwe mi labs bia ne ho a obi nya bi obetimi ka se bia diabetes wi abetom si eno ane bekome BP wi eno ane bekum bia ne ya total so ewo sunsumu ya total so sunsum doctor na ohwe no we nimdie ni obehwe wa entumi nya de enko na Alhaji se eho me yesunsum ne honam ne adwuma nti se wo ba hodo ma mehwe ade mehwe ho kwan ne aye ho adwuma ma nti nyoma a metumi ye wo ho nyina no mema doctor abuboso na
yo doctor das ya so yon se ne papa edika kan se eye wani na hawa na se ale bi wo wani so hwe ade a hu ne yi ebi ana tipai ena wo so no eno no ba e be mo dra obenum na se wani no eso etimi ada ho ama na yare bi e wo so bia no afi so na so wani no eno eso etimi ada ho edi ama sa so na BP blood pressure ye ho adwuma ni nyina bibidro ena ye di adwuma e ho na goita kompo obi tia na so obi hwe samre na se bia ebi asium ni mu a oba papa be mo dra odi be gyina mu na se ni nyina afi ho edi akwasa so na henia so ye ho adwuma diabetes nso saa ni nyina bibidro na ye di sa diabetes no obu ani de bia check na e wo soro ba ahwe ya check ya bon se na anase ma aduro no na ye check bon se na e ba fam bia se beda no na aba beda sa na fibroid ye nua mu tie samre anase ma me na se bi e da oso anase bi hawa no so ho hia surgery anase operation bia oba ya hwe ya anase ma aduro no ma e be na ne kama na so watimi anyinsen awo afa ho afa oba eni gym sa na prostate cancer eno so sa ye ho nya se bia odwunso haw odwunsa oti anase ahwe rubber kra na eno so ba ebe mo edra ben man so be rubber no e de ato ho na so ho etimin ato poor vision me ka ho asem dada na ese bia menstrual pain ye nua ma na se ye ma me no mo configure mo bre no so se sa how ni bi da so a oba papa be mo edra no ma no so be froze so na infertility process so ba ana se be ma a ma ware a mo pa awo e ho ye mo den a mo pe bia mo kyen a mo nya bi no mo ba papa be ma mo ndo mo mienu nyina ya mo to na mo emfamra na won hwe mo ne sikwan bia no obi ye firi ho ama mo so mo timi awo ma efi ho no eni je timi aba low sperm count ye ho adwuma that's na spiritual marriage se bia adwuma bi a wo ye anase utro letter kwa adwuma ye fa so nche ne eja wo ware so anase be ma so be ware ba so be ware bo nse na ate afa so ni nyina no bibi ene bia esi kwan ya papa behwe na wa ye ho adwuma edi ama joint pains na ye ho adwuma se bia stroke ena achi udi hye bi edi ato wo ma mesrew mo fa no mra ne hwe na ne ho entimi enton asma osa nyina no ye ho adwuma meja papa na wa kire mu edi achi
doc meda wase enyoma a wo se nyina binum ha nipa bi omo de akini ache omo nya ayaresa nti obeka che se asema o kan me ka oba bi manya ayaresa edi enti na etimi basa ma ka che se nyoma a wo se bebrebe amahwe omo efa yesunsum na omo de obi ba no wo se onya stroke 7 years na omo nanti ache pa abroche nyina wakọ mehwe na se asase bi hu na obi ne ne yesade na wato ade ne wo sunsum di ama no nti doctor na wo hwe no we nimdie ni obehwe entumi ye de enko mahwe nipa bebre adasidi ekoso free amanone ene Ghana ha nyina maka chem se abibiduro obi no ho a mo ba mo se large vision ebi no mo ka abibiduro so be ko na abrofo no ni asan start ya san sesa edi ma on se kokon no me se da bi anke no dia ka me mo kokon fa no chi na ka doctors no mo nim die fo no mo hwe maka chem se haban juma ye no se wonim fo ma wontumi nye because ye ne nananom kasa ansa na ya fa haban de ye juma nti nye se woti se obi se kofa haban we fa koye se for diabetes e be ye juma enye juma na wade ni bia na ya to ama wo sunsumu nti ye sere nananom na ya pe ho haban ansa na ya ye ho amamre ne amane nti sa hawo na ya to so anka ye ba be ku wo bra wo tam nso ye no alaji vision be ye free so because wo hawo ni amane a wo ka ho asemi awo ho asem a wo kan bebre yeah obi ho na busuamu omu ewo ntafo nyina so be ma bi ekwa warranty asina wo ho kwan wa nante ache wa boka bema bi su tem na no pai omso kokko ware ye no ya kuni bema osunsumu because oba na akwa ware no bia na honhom bi di na chi o nim no akwa ware sa aba nti ko ware na sa honhom no otwe kra editiawo nti bema betimi awu wajuma sem na betimi aye basa afi no hu se ware nti na mpanifo bu besa se o kwa ware aye den obisa me da maka cho se wodi hye na sebe se na adwemo kano a betima san yare fi se maye bi da yesa afi na me ba betana ka se obi ye bi e na me ba be ye bi yes obi wo outside ase ni dishe na adwemo kano me hu no da of family number wo Adom ha yes of friend na Jimmy number se alaji ye friend Ghana yes ye mfa sika mra me se maame se me at problem na wo ka chem yes wo betana mani ma wo ka chem se alaji vision na obi se me se da bi se se mahwe ade ne ho kwan ahu ba bi a ade ne free because fan ya ebo ho e bibi ne kitamu sana ye adwuma enti fan no se won twa sa ahoma ne kitabu na fan entumi enti me hwe ba bi a sa ahoma ne bo ansa na maye den maye ho adwuma te fan na beto fom enti adansidi ye den ekoso alaji vision e ba clinic empanifo se won tete atche mo ancha wonya nsupa nom ebinum anante ache obi tem na no pai o ani hu hawo ade wa kire won hu eben na won hu wanante ache obi ho na ni kura prunsio obi akoye so operation bi ye se go koma ne ade ete na beba so why bre entumi nko maka chu sen haban na bia wadwuma eye ye wode utie wo ya eye adwuma na no pa obi tem ni tifa to be pine sa wano penkila want to be na obi tie mi na need to be prunsio sa obi tie mi koko na ha no obi tem na no pai watanya ayem tim ti oja ne na ya emoja eden ewom alaji vision ka chem se oba koko ho a koko afra ni pa bebre ni wasasi so because we are na wo nim aka so broni oni koko adro ya bibido so ope koko adro papa hwe ade ekuta mi ayen haban enubram akoma 7 ana maka bom empaibo di akiri nti wo hawo na da so ya todi ama wo no se wa mfa mpaibo anka ho wo yare entumi nko nti wase mato koko ndura nom manum ndo bia entumi nko enye koko adro ni koko adro me ka cho se nya haban bia na yeti edi sija so noa saa da nya haban bia na yeti enoa haban bi ho yeti eposa no wo yensem ansa na ye adwuma mana ye adwuma nti na bibiduro no akwadi sa se obi ate na obi ye bie ti alaje vision ka chem se wo hawo ne amane bia eda so a wako a entumi nko maami efiri utase besi unase wo de me pede doctor sanim diefo na ahwe wa entumi nye de enko ena na obi frem mo se alaje vision me ko hospital bi doctor na hwe me sa entumi ko doctor anka chem se yare we ya eham na esunsumu we medical doctors ten ya wunya emu be 8 a ombeka sa asem achi because omu ye chinegefo ono anka sakra problem bi ye de eha no ontu ho na mo nkohwe nti what de sa bunten na ade na be ku na fresh because wo dwuma na wo ye krobi town enipa bebre timi ko hospital ho na wa bewura no enye yare na ode aba wo ono ba be yi ne yare ama no wa den wako nti se wo wote wona se woni mpa ebofo bi a alaji vision se wo be ko no asa kofa yare den e de ama wo ho nti koko na ha wo no diabetes na ya to ato so no bp na eda so wako a entumi ye de enko no alaji vision ka chem na no pa ise mi okokomlemle Adom TV dan kase ame kasa mu yachi nti ma me ne papa ba bi a wo free ba bi a na no pa bi a na woni Ghana ha wo amano ani ba bi na wotie me Germany for hwe Spain for hwe Italy for hwe Holland for hwe UK for hwe na no pa ba bi a wo bi a South Africa Saudi yesandi no de ko ba bi a Japan nyina nti wo hawo ne amane bi e da so akwantum ho utu kwan ne o man koyie mawo woni papers watan oba 20 years na etumi nkoma ka cho se eyempaibo ana meya ma obi a obewura bia no na favor ne da so obenya o papers abafie ta large vision ka chem se so number wo ne frɛ e bia number no we screen nani obi e hɔ a yensan fa number de ntodwa no mutimi fa number no 0242
0242
812 426 0242 812 426 and 0502 187 178 and 0558 58 45 e pa cho fa number na frame wadwuma bi a wo mu oba bi a kwakware be ma bi a kwakware pese wo hwe ho kwan ehu de besi akwanti obi a wopese wutu wopese wo hwe ho kwan hu ba bi a besi a alaji sinya se ye hwe aka che se wo kwa enko yeye ma ehu akwankyere wo ho se wo hwe a obehu ebe yen so ama wo de adanse die
adwuma bi a wopese obi anasa asase bi a wopese wo
yes obi ho nya adwuma na anu ase wose ma bi adwuma no makotrem obi ba beto ade obegu adwuma no alaji vision se wo de fa number na ha dodo akonwa ba ko fonta so nche ena esi ankre hu na edede nti yen kasa be fa number na frame na me no ntwetwe nkomo nyankopon asomdwe enka matiefo ni mahwefo nyina
yeah that's it papa pala division da yete den kan nti wo fa ne numbers na de how bia na no na di nkomo yen komra na ye ba ye beto aso ye happy birthday bi mu nkomo ai me ba bia me de be ma wo twon adwen asi so se ne ye kire do akire obia che wo do why kitwa bi ensa se chocolate mpu na unya ya wo de ma no a happy birthday oba appreciate you pa yonya keto obema wo no onu nya kese a ode bema nya no sunti e ka ubo ti ngosa no yenu bum admission e koso St Andrews Senior High School so yeah 1 year admission 2024-2025 academic year admission no e koso na St Andrews Senior High School bebia one more Senior High School 1 to 3 boarding wo ho your hostel so wo ho bebia wo bia fa obano bra St Andrews Senior High School ho e na hu wo mo wase results na hu say you want to sika mu na wo banso akọ school a eye papa wo mo e wo mankesim new edubiase sama dunkwa onofen sawiwe so e na fe Accra bia mabosu nyina St Andrews Senior High School e wo ho for 0244696911 0244696911 and 0207891004 0207891004 Mr. Abata in morning to two for Banako Senior High School at St Andrews now be sampa odo Banako School na Adnako School papa so SM abewura dandiemu Edu Herbal Hospital Dr. Edu Mohammed and any team no ha SM no team penifome mamwache
yeah and
na happy birthday so
thank you my dear
ma hofade no ewom why ade mo why fepa
kakra wo
sa no want to hu ase dressing no so on point na watch no so oh wow
oh asem
wow dog and all buy
afia
and all buy
say am issue
yeah you say what some when that
so me that say o say and Valentine Day no e be ka stroke na asem kakra bi na ma atiefo ahun say na 14th day of February 2025 say the be ya omo asiase enu ahwache na manfo asiase FFM say SM no me ya na dodo but ya me hadu ya tumi stroke all the whole year na retail point ni na nti obi a vaze no SM so ehun say oh say the word SM near the kokko and the troy asem no yes coincidence ya planet ho say there we dey besi nti yesi ya say wodam oh he atare ya shemini ya
election headquarters
kakrawo wo de empo de tesaje ba bia na ma sheda de kala bia mayi ani kakra no aye kokko ne so aye na no so de abo achi na o he me ba ya chese ase no amanfo asheda but esem ne de aye planting e da ho dada so we ye den so we divas and we divas no edru eboa ma wo CPC ta chese o ye Ghana ni ene SMBTS we oba ba ma no wan no SMBTS ya wo hawo me de be si won maka stroke no asem kakra afia when him say last year somewhere May research aye kwakire say Eastern region and yade a eku Eastern region for almost 60% near stroke nti o ha fi so isi mu ya yenkwa akire na o he Eastern region for buy aso for stroke treatment ya if you adwen ha ne say besle say didie na say disappointment na cause wo homa na akoye how Eastern Ashanti and Central region and say I say stroke no how pa besle o say didie no and I say koba say disappointment and I say chronic disease, pressure, diabetes, kidney related issues, na mane kwasa obi anhwe no ho siye na me kan fo chiro me so obi anko check up because prevention is better than cure. Into ba edu Herbal clinic aso na ye nhwehwem se ehu se 10-20 years obi ya stroke e be ka kire wonne wetumi abo ho ban se de be yale no emubungu nyame amfa fie na onua bi o ma me bia na o papa bi nso ya stroke bi dada e bia ba ko pe o Ghana ha Edu Herbal Hospital. Man kesim be fikrum. Ye no ye wo edan anase efie bebre a che se ye de obeto atwetwe ama waduro ahye o mo wanante aboa ma wo ho ato na wadofo wo ma abefo akofie wabla wo gina wona so enante wakobo obla ntimi nua wotie me o ma me anase o papa bi yale stroke a ye se asem petia phanomenon na egu screen nas no na wo de troto e bia me ne wo kasai mle ya na etwam a wotie nti troto uduru fie no aka kire wadofo ne se omo maami anase omo papa na yar stroke no omo fa ne ko Edu Herbal Hospital ye o man kesim be fikrum ye o branch ne ba ko en Krakopo ne man tem ha aye odoko official town me ne wo kase e ma stroke emubungu na wo mo Yankopon sombo da bi ya me wa na adwuma wie wa bibi ye no abo habamba na odi bi a hye Dr. Edunsa se won fa mo na ahonto eye stroke nko a chronic diseases ya dia ya kranko ya dia no de ba itumi boa ma ahonto se ya wo asem se ye infection se ye diabetes se ye stroke na nkasa na yeka ho asem anampo se hypertension no ana prostate issues no faba Edu Herbal Hospital ye beboa ma ho ato ye mfiri won ye mla on the 14th asema yeka kire wa ne se enkonya SM bitters the bitters without alcohol the bitters of the day when you bitters ya Ghana for aja atum sampa so ye malam so ye shake so ye sofo so ye everybody we your ba na bema when you 18 years nko ade a peja SM kosro na hwe ya me anim na woso na tia no na hwe bi gu anum na wo afa ne nanam fie ho na so ye oba na wo ye bema no e kire abusia na wo ho ni na mo ahu sampa wo ye Ghana ni mapa abrochirefo ehwe ye mo hwe Facebook ni ade no bomodian na order SM wo order ebetumi ama delivery wherever you are across the globe bia wo wiase afa na yina no ebetumi ama wo delivery na wanye bi ato SM bitters ne dini ye SM obi abodi o se SM hwe metu ne dini na ye strong man amanfo aba friend Superman because omo didin bi ato so a eche me strong man yes ndi friend Superman na se de do no ye trend wo Ghana ni wiase no omo se en friend social media hwe the same as SM but awalefo na nka omawale egu no omo no ma SM no eti omo ya hotoso nti SM omo friend sincere mate chese oyo adura wo de hoto no ho so ayede eyeye enkokrafo ne milewafo no nso aka omo ye apart no omo no maduro no asem adiom de ato no SM na aviation omo aka ne se yem friend se semanhia chese ye SM a ko obi akode baabi nti omo hia SM no ma sa aka omo ho abom na me ne wo kase asofo no mo omo so mutumi enya otumpon ewosunsum nti omo friend spiritual movement the same as SM enna muslimfo no ye ahmediafo no omo so omo no mo friend senior movie chese asofo mpanifo no nti omo friend senior movie asofo from so friend senior missionaries we no ayama kayemi say MCR for ne ade no ma edi omo de ama no meka na yesema me nka na de meka omo say friend system management chese wono ma esema e ma to manage systems na wo ho ni na that is SM for you so obi no ma esema ne edin a wo de ba bonten ohu enti amanfo friend simiso emma na omaji atum omonnom no omonnom esem wo ka kire omukum se simiso chete wonnom esem de a wo abe simiso enti SM bitters de wo be kokole nak e wo yikumase hose no dodo bi ape bi akotubi enkrakopo no mantem ha de house of drug repass se men kan chose dodo bi a wo hia no wa ready obe supply wo se wo fi abrochi na ape bi akoto Ghana ha na ape ne nketu na sa kese repass se men kan ekus ewo ashamai Lete George ono so ewo tama committee 5 pbi obi run about wo e ma re fi se Edu Herbal clinic yankasa ye center na e wa kra na e wo doco official town Greenland Hotel o mane ya uduru ha no so pe bi atu akoto na apma akoma ko bi anoma obenye bi numbers ne go screen na se na me mfa won kwachire no memma PRO edi mienu bi asoso
yo dog edi me da se ne akonya se fia so me da se na answer no memma be happy birthday na you said this month today a special month of February and this week so a special week not today Friday 14th is also a special
tu yesem no show ho de
ne show ho dia inte ende no
e be do Monday kra na won kai
yes ende no esem you friend CCM inte ende wa ye week wa ye mbre sisi wa ye mbre no CCM esem e be sisi kama say na wo hwem ya senka wo ye me wa kabadesa ma kwa drugstore and Herbal shop bi my then ma kwa koto SM na edi kan de ACC me say na made in kan kan dey 14 a special day adofo ina hwe me say nkofo be che omodo ende ba wo che wo do a wo mobi obi betu a che obi fi obi betu atoka mobi obi betu che obi betu amobi sikapa na mbom se wo yi a me nya adofo a wo hwe me anope bombodian for SM ka ho se SM dey se sister fia ba ma mo kan ka make say lunch official lunch ewo Vat's Day for 2025 obi antu ya SM because at the end of the day so we bibie wi na so compem na when to my ma enije ambe fia na bibia ka cost 90 I say ya bobo football oh we bobo at the end of the day ye shego ana nti we bemma bomadi akopɛ SMB test ebito na oye hu sepel saa so na mbesiafo na hatenka atekono mesrem bombomodi ai yensisi ye ho tin ya to ne di say me for ende obia nkopɛ binto doctor tu edin kan aka ebi eto ndro bia wo kwa betu me ne SMB test bia to could you imagine say if you right now SMB ye kwa yembe ya no wo kwa medicine wo yes sign na SM na nipa na wo ho no obehu why that I attend to you we several kama ni bo so nyede because e hwe dwuma SMB test edipa na seke doctor sinke ensuan bo a nkan ye ni but essence doctor nyam e hia na Ghana we hia na Africa we hia na I mean baby even the whole world because one was say those outside UK US omina etonka say omope SM ya packaging just look at the package you are packaging FM saa so na ede egbeadwuma enti se wo pese bibia ko yende bibia ye kama wo score with 3 points a bomode wo sisi na ha no bomode na score 3 points ende na bibia koso beko
ya dia brofo antumi esa obibini ba ya wabesa Dr. Dre yeah udeni edek enkwa sombo 0243 989368 0243 989368 and 0201 044 221 0201 044 221 where the fella according to Dr. Dumede me no mabako eto awoso and the personal 055 83 79545 055 83 79545
yeah that's a papa panty fredo now so kwaje SM for life for life no no nesi we kwaje de yenkomra ne ba ye beto aso yeah that's say ye mo akwa babiem happy birthday enkomma mu nyina ye do pa ene kire wodo no why said the dawo ye no no ne de e different ene no menne no enye sonko medidi afia amankwa tamaklo na never's day so eye dabia ye bo dewro afa pangolin na world pangolin day pangolin omo ha to me kire adekro sebe ya wa so uhu a ubehuno na mewo daro bonsu ewa ha deputy national director wo Aroja Ghana pacho yo ye mo akwa ba Dr. Godfred Bempa manager with the operations unit wildlife division forestry commission uhuna fade ende ana so no ana ura edu ekins so reformed hunter na unkwaso mo enti wahu okuani ewa hai na wahu no ye friend say forestry for wa hai any doctor wa hai die na je say yenkomo no we say me bie ebo pangolin ye ba be di ho enkomo pacha mama akwa be bi happy birthday so enkomo mu nyina ma me free Mr. Forestry Commission eho pangolin no e din a odawma
me da sipi na pangolin ye aboa bi a broni beka so ye mama ye emwa omotime wo life na omuma nufunsuo nti sebi ye nyina ye mama na sede omusi tie no
director facheme director sanke ebenya pangolin no a nanka ade atoso amaye nanka ye nyina ye hu apra yo
ebi so friend aprawa
ayo ti apra nananom yi abomofo de omunim ti apra eni aprawa pangolin ti ye de beto so na ebia na wunhuni ti se Thomas ne nefo yi omunhunu omati de no
na omuye sonko free say mamas nyina ne ye wo enwi eni fe wo ye hunam But omo dey need skills.
Omo na da so.
Nti hu aye skills ana etare omo hu. Nti ye ka pangolin a eno ne aprawa no. Na emrofo British no. In fact, di pangolin na ye pangolin. Malaysia for kasa.
Okay.
Na British for no intimi mo edino. No mo sesa no pangolin. Pangolin. Malaysia for kasa.
Tia aboa ne da so sa.
Aboa ne da so no.
Wow. Na ede ne man enne no sonko de na kasa ye da be. Aha me kodogo.
Yo ma men kasa kakam da se. Pangolin day na kasa no second Saturday in February.
Okay.
Into no sha echen ameboa 15 February. Into no pangolin day na kasa no chna. But esan say eneso ye de bia sonko ye pese ye use side that way no. Ye de bohu de ro. So when you say ba pangolin dia ye de ye uko chobas bebe na de na ehwa na bebe na nkrofo no eko obi akọ chobo say wo apra ho na say nti wo fa akra ko ma se kwan se wo tu kwan anasa wo kota kra de no say mbrantie ne embaba won kra mwa no wo kwan ho mo ton eye na ma nkrofo ni je ho pa unfortunately no nkrofo ni je ho pa nti obi ato enam no sa nti no ya shada decide that way no second Saturday in February no esi ho a the whole world no ye bo aprawa no ehun bam de ro na obi a tumi ayi ahweyie se e bebo abo no ho ban.
Okay, na ye se aprai ana pangolin no ho kire no watiwa forest ho pa.
Enye atiwa forest nko a on se Ghana no wo hwe baby ye wo kwaye ene ede kwa kosi north kra no ye wo pangolins na ho pangolins e wo Ghana no ye wo no ahoro be se miensa na wo ba south a uhu mienu ha ye wo long tail pangolin ene ye wo also tree pangolin di no ye ba kwa long tail eno no wo hwe no ho a ase tuntum kakra brown kakra wom eno no o hwe na
abode misro no na ne kase ne say ya na what to say
abono wo weight there
o weigh be almost 33 kilograms.
Ooh,
as wafa grass cutter.
Yes. Ne tintin mu no so be 45 inches.
Wow.
Na ne techrema no ewa yie. Ne techrema no otwe ne techrema half of the body length no.
Whoa. Na we kwa de so wawu na oda ho no. Tinka wa ya live na nke ewu ne dia.
Na the current ne da no kra ho akohia ne se omododo no esa. Yekun mu nyina
ene yebeba bomofo ho no aba na okay ada ne yenku no se mo se yewe ti ya se yekun mo we
on se ehu hia se aboa bia wo dwumadi a odi no asase so
okay
se wo hwe pangolin na duane pa odi pa insects ants termites worms pangolin ba ko timi di about 70 million insects a year. Nti say ya hwani ammo hu ban na eku mu nyina na mu free asase so a insects no one be control insects no te from mu pest control ye papa no ye mame mo ye efuo no say pangolin ne dodo sa je say maize eduane a ye do nyina no insects no be ko akose no
yo enu ti na hia se ye ka no omunya awie na wakumbi Okumbi pa on. Omo nu zo de. Apra no.
Omode. Sade. Omode nya sa po chen se.
Na ko wachi kakra.
No one yira.
Okay.
Ayi hu woni bium. Isan se kokko no kra ni abo ayi hu kra pom. Fie be aduonu mu ni a me papa be wi ase. Ba ni hu apra ba kokko no bi da.
Okay.
Na abode so wala ifo so ewure ma hu se mo no esa nti na me ko bofo nti me jai abofo se mo no na Russian titi ni wancheche oni cheche fa mo anu nti ba hu no a o mo bo ulu na si bo mo kura no a bo hu a no abbo akola kwet mi fa no
sa e ba otenam ka se no hu be hu
kete ko bit na fa pra wa be kuta ne sa
onka wonyo hwe
oni se na dia oni ni o pe no tatia no ne 40 eni adia ono edi
ena no boarding se na mu kum no tonwa
mo me dia bi kum amentom
Ah, uko cho wanu. Enu ano no. They said wajai. Enti enti better na ya control because omo ho bomofo no wonte ye ena omo kumko.
In fact akra enka ho. See problem a ye wo pangolin ho pa ye. Apart from say abomofo kumu no. Eya ade abroni beka say international trade. Enye Ghana hankwa na omuku omudi no ha. Okay. Omude ko amaman so. In fact, in Rehemache say afibia na about 100,000 pangolins. Ana manfo kumu edo omko Asia. Into for the past 10 years about 1 million pangolins na yekumu. Ewiase. Oh. Ebe burumpo. Na ohwa bebre na akọ Vietnam ene China. Because omo de ye edro ebibidro bebre wogidie say pangolin no ni skills no ne honam no say oche na de ma oba wawo fofora e ma breast milk bebre. I mean funny you know theories bebre ebi so gidi say sebi oye ohene na pese obo ho ban obetimi da e cham enti se okwa amama hodo so a bebre especially in China na in high demand nipa hia bebre e de ye ebibidro ana adekrunti ho so akohia nsa manfo hia ne kese pa because sika wo okay so wo hwe ne honam no skills na 1 kilo unya 1 kilo is about $3,000 a black market we want about $3,000 and about 2 years ago Singapore omochi about 12 tons. 12 tons is about 12,000 kilos. Which is about 38 million.
They say then ye de sia no emre na so adawoma.
Ya omre wo man yimu. Okay. Wo hwe sese emra. Na sa sese ye nya emra foforo. Ye the new Wildlife Resource Management Act. Act 1115 2023. Eno ni sisudua se obie ni ho kwan. Se ordinance sabeso sa aboy mu se obeche no anaso obeton no anaso obefa ne hunam bibia dia ye bibia se wo ye sa de na emra so mu a emra ma ho kwan se de obeko prison for 1 year and 2 years even 5 years. Wow. Enti emra wo man mo ebo sa abo an ho ba
emra na so
ma me fa kakra me ni kan ho se enya Ghana hanko na ye bo abo an ho ba sisi ano a international law. Okay. Say emma obia enton sabo we na so on trade sabo. In this Ghana for before e ka so aban na e bia o ma ni nsemu ye den yes anet ye. Esan say we are seeing na no ye hu say emwa no o ma se hye. Ya mpekwan bi ansi kwan se na omunkunkon mu na yentumi embo mo ho ban emma echiremba. Enti hia pa say yen a particular na ye ton your restaurant no bush meat na aya mu display pangolin no nkofo bebe so the pangolin no e advert e wo mo Instagram any on Facebook so makọ baby makọ oh ye bet show mo pa wala di for Adom enti no ye bet di obecha kwa show mo enti yes say ye mbo abano ho ban na emma echema so ye betumi eme ho
mo fo ha dem ye show so ni nua no mo so
afie bia so wo ba ko pe
oh ba ko pe
enti wo mo ano ekun na se ikomo
mosa ebesa
sa ti se de arusha fo di ma fa titie mu akira mi se me mo ko sa mi nyai wona ma medjuma
okay
ami ma company se me jayo ko ko se mo
sa
mo mi anu fo so bi nyai bo we uja no ma ne de ma te sam nanti a mi se nka efe mo ko abo trom wo ko bi asa se do de nka uja ma ne ko ya ka ye timi na abofo no fo bi nyai abo no life ma no o ma ne life
mo yada mo ase papa e komo no ade yesro abomofo hwede obetimi ache we de na o maka na omra no wo nya Ghana ha wo yed mo bi no de tukwan ye chewa onso life no be wi ya no ti ye nya careful ne mo ho ban because wo mo anwewe insect no a ombetwa aba ye ho aba wi ekwe nti obia ne purpose nyame de ba asase so nti ye nya wo enum de ne dos ene ba na busien so e de wo mo awodaye de owo me 85 years. Mrs. Elizabeth, a fiat ne wa dakwa. Ye. One da so no auntie a fiat ne wa oboase brahabe bome low cost a hon wo. The wo me e de twawanum. Ochiame amu akonda kwa ne na ena dasue happy birthday enkomao uchocho mucho so we show happy birthday abusua ni nyina wonse wonu mu nyina ene menso oba wa family we show happy birthday erade nshira onkoso amiamia pono mu man na nya nkwatenten 100 plus happy birthday enkomao afemi amade ke edu gas oven ene eye ke edu see you eye birthday ai openi wonkwaso na da so ne de bia no osre erade nshira erade nya okese normal sufra dumu enko adumu ke edu gas peni kwanchefo uraki edu da hu se oda so na happy birthday enko emmaun afei happy birthday nkoma roda esirifi blankson or top ridge school santa maria happy birthday enko emmaun happy birthday onyame onko so enhira roda na onya okese oma sufra dumu enko adumu afei happy birthday nkoma adwa golden or Sewi Bekwai, happy birthday. Erade enkoso ante na nimu nkyerɛ no onye okese omo akoma soro bisade no ni nyina amremo emfa emmaw. Sanso na ne ye sofopani a wo Cornerstone Baptist Church, Domi Pillar 2 ene eye ne birthday. Reverend Sylvester Osei Owusu. Reverend Sylvester Osei Owusu. Nyame akwa nyame nipa, nyame nkoso nhyira. No ma sunfra dumu enko adumu. Sanso na Nchibuama family wo hye kachire abena nhyira entwi boama happy birthday kechire abena nhyira entwi boama happy birthday o papa Abraham ene ne yire ne mani nyina wunuanom ene we show happy birthday or na say we kechire oboa but no ma ye invite say another one alande nti happy birthday kechire nyame nkoso nhyira no ntine ni mu so enchiro bakubi by happy birthday happy birthday nkoma na ejewa osei na ejewa osei owo Manchester UK from mama Letitia osei ene ma me se wa osei obi a UK for mo we show a happy birthday nyame nkoso enhira na onyo kese kwesi se obe kese ma me nkomra ede ahosapen me na me gina mu aye birthday din ti the sister Sunday bi oh yeah guy ede na kopie baby ti me bo akira ma no ye kwaba e atwaso Ninye pa na Friday, em say no so ka ho because my spirit ni different. Erade adom wa here so week mu nyina. This way to adwendwene areho ni bigu mu ninye because you have life. Obi anya ne nti say wo nemu am wo ninye na so aye odofo ni adofo day. So ye mo odo nso ye ho odo ni obi wo problem. Hwa ni nyina egu ho nhia. E ma nso twi bebre ne be day. E ho nhia. O me nkyere odo. Chrodo chiro bia mfansa fodu hu nye gina ho bia fansa gu ho na ma spirit no ano enya den medi afia amankwa tamaklu happy birthday nkop mamunyina na mi ginam ama sister Sandy bi oye guy eduma no sade na to aso nti ye beto aso enti yankwohwe futuo ye asofo panin Eastwood Anaba edi ama manyina obi a ya wo no atete no anyine ebenya bia be 25 years 30 years medofo enye ona betimi asesa no se mi suba no wo ho a ti so wo kobu relationship bi mu na hu se nipa we se ni se wo hu red flags bi nim ni ade menye wadwen se wo ne champion no na aba besesa no hu niema bi a wo mpe e wo ho atwo ho boko me nkowura mu ansa because wo wura mu a wo pie a nya bete wo mpie wakam timoni enda ho yenkotie sofo pani Eastwood Anaba futuo yi a let me tell you
these people, especially you, those women under the sound of my voice. One thing you should never see in a man and ignore and go and still marry him is a man who is quick-tempered or has a bad temper. Solve that problem before you marry. Number two, a man who is a womanizer and cheats on you even before the marriage. Please make sure you deal with it before you marry. Number three, a man who is stingy, Armstrong, quickly hand. Since your relationship, he has never given you a handkerchief. And he said one day when we marry, one day when you marry, he will bury you. He is marrying you to bury you. Three things: quick-tempered man, stingy man, And what is the other one? Fornicator. Even in relationship, he's seeing another woman. You know, when you are in relationship, apart from your girlfriend, you don't see anybody else. Hey, she's everything. She's everything.
Nti we no so ti ase. Pepe ni ze chi dine. Odi na ko paje, mwani na ho. Go we hu ne na sa na ote e de bewuram. Nti menyo ho ehwa ho fe ne nko a. Ti yenye steady afutu osofo pani de e mamma nyina so eno no. Na Mr. Drew na ka say. Hi, last year Telecel Music Awards. Aha. O chesenka esanka ono na win sa category na no ne kidi wo no. Na minim de nti afe ne wa ba ba be cheche mu de nti ohunu ne se ono na na nke wo so win no. Enkotie Mr. Drew sama okay.
Last year, as you the sport there for stage talk, because people were talking about your performance, it was one of the highlights of the night. Yeah. Big highlights of the night. You can't talk about performance and forget about Mr. Drew. But you lost out to Collaboration of the Year award to Kiddy at the TGMA. And you know, we all saw the series of events that happened after that. I mean, do you think you were cheated?
Do I think I was cheated? I felt like I had to win.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't. As of whether I was cheated yet.
No. But you felt like you had to win.
Yeah, I felt like the song had to win.
Because
Charlie, we did perform the numbers.
The numbers.
Yeah, and then we did perform the tune for everywhere, every corner. People they sing the song. You get it? Yeah. So, Charlie.
Has that affected your relationship with Kiddy in any way, shape, and form?
I don't think so, no. We always meet, we just talk. Yeah, me and Kiddy be cool. Yeah.
Sure.
We never took it personal at any point in time. And if you look at our banters and stuff on, I wouldn't say banters.
Do you believe
we just throw, it's just funny. And me, I like trolling too. And he likes trolling too.
Kiddy, the professional.
Yeah.
We go pull up some old documents. Come. He said,
yeah, he like trolling. I mean, I like it like that. But he's my brother. We're cool.
He's not grown up here. Nyabufu. Sanet here. Inti Mr. Drew na babechi. On the no who pass and collabo the other nanke and then so ye de Emma Kiddy. And what you know. Bia ye boko ntokwa nim mema ntokwa sa o ka che na de nso a che waje o bank by now yesi hu nkunya nyina ti man mu miesesa ya dwe ne enyima nso mfiri ho na ye nkọ alata ya ho ye ko Nigeria tu baba two face in Libya say o nze na nse ne ho na musa social no koswa so odi a chenchwe wo so ni one ne yire ani so mo agya so mo nya ye hunhunu ya semu ni enka nwe ye kura se wasa nyimo ne girlfriend bi kura o mo expect baby baba just one na ho ofe no o wo sempo anu anwa ti yesi another one kura so ba yenko hwebra ti no ko social no so o mugu so as o mu confuse system no kura ni say china say so o jayo so nyayo o propose for na we mu kura ne maami aba be patch ni new girlfriend o sre no onya na boy no so be over concentrate wo old wife no so o maami aba be patch because dey ko na no odin two face you hu no na yesusu but the same thing the otia no tinti no hu so nyina oti wo be wie no obie jan me man ko 70 kura obewo obi anya 70 afena be anya 2 years daddy enti two face ne maami patch girlfriend no so anka be ya jemu now concentrated the wo dada no so yenti.
Good evening, Nigerians. My name is Mrs. Rose Idibia. This message is for Miss Natasha Osauru of Edo State. I'm calling on all mothers in Nigeria to help me beg her to release or to free my son. My son is going through a divorce process and he's clearly not in his right senses. I know my son. This is not him. Please, Natasha, the bead you put on his hand and on his neck, remove them and free him. Good evening.
Obata na eka say you. Na say wa man chain binom ne ade. Yehowa. Owie no kura ntem jum say na ni afiri obi aso. De onim na ne Natasha. Natasha wuji wudin. To de na maame na aba ba sere we. Say ye chain no. Say ye de hi oyi firim. E never say mo ani na ho. Obi ama bibia e careful. Maame so abeto bibia to mu. E wo bi say Nigeria na esie no wo sere ama ne ba ne de. But e betimi happen. Obu anu atame wa cha wa ye won say won fi no. Or the vase no we but when na eno ayi e beto da say wa hwe min tan hwe be no akakra bi a me hwe anti efie chechire mi mu no na say otimu say obi na a cookie mesese edu ne ba o say ehun owie no obi do obi so mi wanya sa na ti o but ti careful enne odo obe wie na ade be che na do obi dem ti mu ani na ho make sure say dan na odem na e wa wo dan tokwa bi a mechiri ti we de two face mama na esiri Natasha release her son. Eda simidi afia amankwa atamaklo ahosope na ha na bema kwan na ye de asie kwasi aye krado de asemidika etwoso tweno.
Kano send it here. Osro Nyankopon asomdwe enkae nyina. Happy birthday. Eso koma obibia. You see if eno akire do. On kire do. Chodom obi bia sa para be ka mesroda yem dodo e ndo obi su ya de mewa wani nso ye na ye konkrofo mo a okodu minister je na se minister man 1000 a na 1000 pe se ne aso we ye adwuma gu ni botom a whole minister pa na 1000 wono okopem wano na bumba buse ya man 500 ya man 1000 to office nka oye minister de kokodru onom no atam 30000 unya ne sa etu mpa aja obi wa kire oba baje akofie ere adofo da faado pie yen to Ghana chocolate ene ana emu ode na koko bebre wom abrofo na sisie ne sabi kwase ebuo nti watete koko ne so eno asa ne ma wodo bia de aka ne se atwam eti wodi akira abawie wo ze de wonu onhyeda mfili papa to Ghana de ne bi ne bo onhyeda nye de bebre ba akokura keto bi kura atofa che obi ka che happy birthday. Ye celebrity das ya ye celebrity se na nko an ye no dem ye de kaka ye ho se ye nko so nkyire odo emfama ye ho ye nya na ntintwitwa ye nya pesemi kominya na ye adwene ye ho na ye adwira wo fro nso ho wo se mpani wo kasa bi o ka wo se ba akofo de dimi a kromu nyede fansa nko an na wo ska nko na betimi akochele na obi a hye dem antu ko anu wan de kosa ene je ni krom ba yesu asabi ye ni bi nso ye ka obi na ma ska for this o mu hyeda nya ado yesa no ye buo babam wakwama ni pakra bo we ni asen ma chie se keka no nsem na pa ni sika kra is onye ska se cocaine Gana obi enye ska trene da se cocaine nye ba akofo na ye ho adwuma ye da fo akoye bi so yesu ye kan obi na meska fo bebre so agya papa ye omo ye wia na ye se ebo mu dimbone ye se omo ye komo kira semba sa na me call despite fear pa bratinya me o fi na we de this way to me see fe no ni akane sa de egu ni parani mu as to china wo tre ne sem de ama adofo a no said di ya wonimu enya ho ya amfamfire mu because whatever that you are seeking for obi enya bi odi ahoya hye mu a ahoya no ebe circuit ebe blockade the transfer of that blessing from the panel to you. Why? Emi akuma mi a front na munya adoye ne nyina so at least ya brabo nso no ento yen kan se ya brabo nye se
baby a modern dear, but at least one so yes, ya want homete. Ora kosi chum ne Dr. Kokwote or say carbon despite Dr. Ofori Atta mo. Yeah, dear in Canada, yeah, ye ni capre ne one mete pa. Share. Ye ni capre by your test. Ye one mete mo so mu say bebre. There be ebe kan sem wa se be nsem fata mo ni ni nyina chi bebre. Na mo koso nhwe mo amoa ye a ye ne abusua be boa da se to. Happy birthday ko bo bibi aveni dia kwesi esia asemi di kabre na edusone de me bie kwantu na ye di nkomo. So em say this weekend komo kese ba kwa ye di pa about recruitment yasa a withdraw. Amanfo esi enyi omo enfem free abanwum ye form I think say right after December 7th elections. We are Ghana nim so adwenkyere ye say. Na that about so me excavators ne akoihye no. Em say na me gina anum eka gumu a kire se galamse na yesi ye kono. Yenko ne sa na ne kono hye da nwie peyo. Ene NDC fo atitafo bi na akoje efan bia boss. So one of the areas that may boss be the Etua rainforest. Now near Bomusano, a bumpy for asuma, Adom, our Mako, Yako Pam boys, Nibi, every forest one. A good one. Ya boa by Abaso. Say Makatos are same, they can say, be near say, you become one name cool cost in the society. Papaya a buying a ye. Ade a yatwe abanya adwen sisu aba aban to ho anamon so no ye be bre ho update na hu say ampaye kan no apaye tie. So kudos to the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Forestry Commission, penifo nyina moyade mama another one no sim say yes ye say ya mpese ye be hye de bad boys na so odin enyaye anka ye mpese ye be hye excavators no because one or the other a sound so boama a bit in the various assemblies and yuma but boys na so den o ye ro for discover room and assembly for no so no bom here ska say tam but ko ne atam de amana ka be ka to say ye na say kroma na cocaine dan powder eh konkonte ne disease ka na excavator cross atu o kroma pen so it is a one shino so a ka me nye ne say ne ye pen no ba me say boys na so den any mrante ne wo mpedifo ne wo assemblies no omuso mpesika say tam ti maybe yes am kwan betimi afa so de na mimi nya ya ye nhye no because na see the drip machines ekoi no e ka wo betimi akọ complement na atit gates in the various assemblies no na kagates betimi adeda honum but na make no say nipa ye nipa boni o we you pa me entam say de kwa kosi assembly bi wo be ko 2-3 days na ni honum ya kati na me je kinu wa hanna me je nipa isen chebu bebre nti wo nyina se excavator na se free honum we ko na se forest beja ya she said ye nya adwuma biem. So kudos to Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua. The last time you assured say yes mutu ho anamon Emma, I think one of your commentaries back here sakosi ye nyina ye moa we should all come together and help but also on na my info so edi enhyiamu. I think as I said, the Minister for Local Government and so any nanama infobi so ediche wonabo Ibrahim Ahmed Banda eso nanama infobi so ediche mu ni nyina komo ni na kwan betimi afa so be clamp down on these illegal mining activities. Sina bi ya yensuo ya enwo ekọ atwe no. On say no kofra mantemo nsuo ho ye den. Nsuo ho ye den. Nsuo ho ye den e wo mfimfiri mantemo. Ghana we nyese eye commercial Ghana waterfall aboya mane dada way back some 2-3 years ago. Ano maka say be bia sane ensuo ni fi no eye de kono. Ensuo be de bedu be no omo fi de ni timi sone ensuo ni so. Ele be sone so kra na enu ne be sone so no e be dozo nti e mensuo ne quality na hone e won sum no e be sa. So ped for my ade. We any say ya this is my journalism. And this is how I understand journalism. The journalism I make suya ye near me no enkyere me say me hwe benkum a da bi minim sa de ne ye. Elo bi tinchi a won tia so oh abanya tono. Oh ye MPP ni oh ye NDC ni yamani sika. But time and ye blame me a buying dear. It was cool. Me and Chichiro mine, sir. Okay, nani pana ye. Now the evidence na baso wampa ye can ye ni pana chwana ebi na make we. Enu asem na make you. Enu asem na me enu pictures na make we. Ti ye cho sampa ye kan na ba ye chwana mo. Eti no begina na wo kan obi te cho oh ye ndis ni. Oh, imana ma kofi boy so apeka kra dia ma no. Je se mo de mo jintim fi se. Have just had obi aso je. E bi o. Yes, that's nyame adom tie bedidi. Ye yensem trade man no, yente ase no. Pacho ko betimi afre 0302 211701 0302 211702 0302 211703. Yeni enkomo. So yaka galam say wasem this week. Yaka the withdrawal of amount for Iwo fridge. Me pacho me letters ni mu bia be man bia. Na ye nwamra ye mu free eye adwum so we ye Greekofo edie pani any amount of withdrawal of appointment. Management wishes to inform you that your appointment as assistant engineer trainee with a Ghana Greek company limited has been withdrawn with immediate effect. Yeah, Pamno. I'll go to Nefi. Jerry, good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Jerry, Pacho, free.
Free man, Cassim.
Epacho.
Oh, I know, pay my bobasso.
Medase.
And your home brass, any quaya de faso cassa, over candy and so. Or for quite so the Cassama in I come out to him. They make an say. I no pay Osha Saga, I'm seeing Yahe. This is a central region. I no pay me sorry, you can be the whole central region. You see, I get den, easy. Nina no qualified by a bian, I can was him. In Tisaba, Obi Didi, no be so best of how you hundia. Nipa and Sana be now covered the whole of this region and other regions, maybe. Yankan can was him now, I know what they now. There's also you know, so you say. Your friend is saying, a Juma Sama okay. Say ya for Juma Pan, ya say you are bet nephew. I dear Dane, no, you and Monia being near Moasa, Cornia, see what habit nephew, dear slow. Say, any pie best have for my assumed Ghana for Yara, and she said, you only with me, I slow Mara. One when yes, one qualified, yeah, fine. Any
good morning.
Good morning, Agents and Pacho Vidiabo Cordia.
Eskimo Conapacho free.
We a SK Bullets, Namene, our dinner, and the word to. Of what say coffee crew and a bird in Yamishra what Yamika papa me check papa. If I'm only present about radio swa or bad TV swa or premu can cry them na wuniatem I'm a mouth for so effort to mutim when Yamisha. Papa can say a galam say for now. Yes, show on your mano. Excavator, you bet with the bad street about Yajuma Amanayi. It's your site. That's the person by Jumana. Yem for so Emma excavator no. MSC District Assembly, Kebi between Ewisu, Ama Omagana, and Yelvaso, Yakan yes, Enya, and San Papa, Ewa Magana. And a two, Yura Mahama, Senator Sawabano, or your NDC for president, and a 1 year NDP president, or Omagana president, and this was who of Juma, one work at Kataso, Miamiaso, one fan of Afani Nazabaya, a double phone, a war Omagana.
Sammy, good morning.
Oh, morning.
Sammy Pacho free.
But my friend Akusumbu.
Sammy Etio.
And no pay me my happy birthday.
Many happy returns to you, bro.
And you keep on my on day na for you Jumani Samaye.
Amen.
Now, Pacho, the Kakra mechanic say, well, and Nipana will you on Jumuno.
Yeah.
And yet, me de. But Mamiche boy be Yakusubuha, ya fan was soja.
Okay.
When say last year, no protocol, boy, no, ya soldier officer, army officer. Now, when minimum, no, I'm a colawaha. Mrs. Tam Penifo war MPP a Bayamontino. Protocol, no, or move money to the face. I got 2 weeks out, officers be passing out, and I want to count. And then, or your officer moi, or cover be a soldier ni edinachi because we university inti one training ground no me see inti sani pass no experience pa bena obinya dia ye dwuma na boa oman Ghana because of protocol inti ni baby sa no say no uze okọ odu baby oba misconduct inti police adwuma ne soldier adwuma no titru no say mo hwe kwan a obefa so wo de be fan crofo o adwuma nim. And you say, the before will be and then now China buying for about you, there be and then yet.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open the patch, you may free.
Mankind, Alambele.
Oh, mankind.
Yes, sir.
A patch to your senior.
Mammy Camo Abaso, said an Abinian Cano, Yen I Ghana for now. Assembly de Campa. Burning of excavators in the I think it's not the right way. But Sabia, we know ever serve as a deterrent to others, not or more at the Ashia. Abandada a year. Children on Nado Ecofa machines in the assembly. For me, they don't see evidence in burning them. They should just convey them to the assembly. The infant candy and another Jawa assembly or no. The infant Yajuma, Oshina, a banity, and then the MPP account. So if this government want to start the same thing now, we catch us and this is fairly. Because it is not necessary. Assembly, the infant you do your answer.
May I say, Eric, good morning.
Good morning.
Eric, what's your free?
I'm Adom.
Eric, it's you.
Mr. Media can say, Galamsi Assembly na make kaka. Asa, Galamsi in fact, nipa kakre di dime de bi o man ne bebre. Because the wolf kumase kwanso. Na wokofa Western region takwa ne bugo su Christian ho na wo hwe ne wo mo yes start ni so amasa ankobra ye kwa ankobra first 2012 ye pum. Na ye na mankobra so ye senso ni bi na ya nom ye de bi agu ye nkamu. I don't to me for a problem who came. Ya me ye chakwa ye to me that better ye chakwa ya to so no me ka fa so no mu e kwa chile ko follow. How? Today na ye me think can ye at way excavator show. Basa ya mpempe wo ma to excavators ni angeli sanko form. Because ne ya so do ho a no man na wo mo ye so no this special kwa masa wo mo fleet ye twimam ha o. Ebinum ya no ebinum ye voters na wo mo ma be ye na wo ma be send wo ha ba owi a no ha so ni se bibia se bibia no na kwatere ne krom na wa kodi ne krom de na ye nde ye bre wo ha asem se ye ko dwaboso na aduane wo ho pa masa me ko hom na se me be ba me master yire e ko tu menkem ba ko 2 per mama me se ma se bibia ye me gibium. By last week no more say the whole Ghana is western of Dwaboso area na or commerce pa adan because of way Galamsey because forest in Nayasem. I didn't see.
That's it.
Now, yes, President Mama, Nipa ya form memory, no qualified, no unqualified, no qualified, no so, yes, so my woman to know, no more young medma. Now, as some game roman,
but I say, Eric, and Yamenka in your home, fancy Adom. As I say, the card, you interrupt you, be or let's say, be a chia near Tennessee. Sanity, or be a Canadian FFSA. Ni nyina kwe na bia meka se o man nchechire nse ya we di na dwenchira ba we di ne dia ba we suri di efre we suri di efre ni nyina se kasa no honte enkoye bufuo kasa nkonkoye sebi kasa ntwi ene atanie e ba sa dia ya say the beauty of democracy na ye wono e ba sa dia e ma no nya kono enyefe ye nkoso nyi ya fam die mfam wa ye man no ye ma na nyina nna so ka se bi o man gina yi a o betom so betome se ne ekona se fem wo okotofu na say a 5 series a liter enye NDC ni nko na be enjoy MPP ni be enjoy CPP ni be enjoy PNC ni be enjoy Yehowa Witness funds be enjoy omnentu aba so to bia wo man bia eni beje me nyina hoto aba yenim so tell bia meka say yenye ya famu de infantile President John Dramani Mamachi Senabia, he will succeed. Our prayer, our focus, our effort should always be towards in how will John Mahama succeed. Or succeed as some you know no benefit. I hear no benya. I hear as a Ghana ye John Mama benya. But the real benefactors no mimi no me no. Ye na nema bo betimi aba form. The NFS na wako dwom na bia akotodo kroni ese once ya 5 cities the amount. The NFS Gary and beans okoto ye o ton kakra bi na bam ya te the amount. So that's it. Ye nyina ye support it. Baba beach ya so me yanke anontu. Tena meka say enne NDC for na wo power. And we end this now na bit me akasa pa mo aban atie because of the kind of governance we run in this country. To be beach here and come on ntum. catch them penny, catch that swap one and what power mono, ya natural no air cheer no, manipa crunches the minister, I see you baby a cake with the air cheer, near treatment. No man be ye from no me and I make us me at my Monday econo. Yare, Alpha draw no be eba as a medical soon. Tiaman for be discuss short code *281#. No as letter option 4. So from Monday, come make sure we have a live draw. That's where we need be. Any pounds to me. Many acquisitions are semidica, 80% mu to us. Okay. Once again, happy birthday to Obibia. Yeah, watch it now. We should be on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Multi TV, they boss on say live on me streaming on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Maybe I could be a live or search for Adom TV. Adom TV. Ja comment or stream na se share will be enye bi ehwe na yeni enkomo. Very good morning call and from Kobe Stone. Yeah, what Medina of Kobe Stone fried rice. What call the menu? Say we are she money edge mapaya we bo the Ghana the share of fried rice is here super. Then also to Brodiga of Brodiga Barbering Shop or Medina. A very good morning, Nkofma. Meba no pay Brodiga meba no pay. Why? Mo so dey my pal so haircut and so dey. O dem fua. Good morning once again to Brodiga. Before Atta say Honorable Alexander Akwesi Akwa, member of Parliament, Madishia War Oda in the Eastern Region, a former Deputy Minister of Health, and Honorable David Von D. And so, a member of Parliament, Madishia War Chifu Ati Mokwa constituency in the Central Region. When his appearance is AC. Anna.
Von D. Hey. I think you have a demonstration.
Hey.
Me pacho na on design.
What you was we be at the fan.
On design. Omo ti me ka so omo mo Von D appointment ni bi.
Ala wo ye jo ma na.
Kakra na ka na die ni die won bi.
Yeah, heard the nyame be ye.
Odun ti no mo ti me release list no.
Last one
no. So last batch 4-5 bi no. Odun ti. Kom ko hu se di ni mu na adom ko.
Deputy Interior Minister.
Oh, bear 4-5 coming in.
Hey.
Deputy Health and my.
Deputy Health and so my.
Deputy Interior and my. Deputy one be with my.
Communication
my. Communication they be one so benya deputy. Sam George is a whole ministry. Sam George no, or a ministry building. 2 command deputy I dey. Only bibia.
A bit 60 be emroso dey.
Every woman cuz bro dey emroso.
Okay.
But the how
one papa the benya deputy.
Oh say na minchi woni a. Anya bra ehwe yen. Chema Hakima dey sisi ade oye Council of State member.
Okay. For
Central Region.
Chairman.
Hey. Na minchi Isaac Yorson.
And then on my appointment I don't know.
Isaac Yorson. Anti Namicha woni anya brete. And let me not also forget our regional chairman, Professor Esiedu, and the regional executives ningina Michelle Womenina anya menshra wo. Na fe menshia me amere Mrs. Von D. Gloria.
Happy birthday.
I'm a man of happy Valentine. I truly love you and you know it. So happy birthday to my very dearest and the most beautiful woman on earth, my wife, and all my children, Klenam, Enam, Sesinam, and Sedinam. I mean, I love you guys all, Daddy really loves you. And happy Valentine to the entire family. And the entire NDC fraternity. Happy Valentine Day to all of you. And may God bless all of us and keep all of us well. Thank you very much.
And to be a yakoso. Means be me said I romantic sabe ya jaba. Tell me sorry na yashishe parcel.
Wow, when you're romantic sir.
E dey gu empathy fee. Me na me ships be wu. I can't talk kwa. Upo wumpo.
Shit.
Ya shase. Intino Mrs. Henrietta.
Okay.
Happy Valentine. Na ndokwa we die. So my sass here Japo. We were romantic pa. Wa we
Oh yeah, what did.
Oh a guy too.
What did?
I mean who need to call.
Hildegard, happy Valentine's Day.
And is who
life na nya.
Oh who ye di po na ja. O he line dey wa. Na obuafa. And is fo.
Masa o me ye show no. O me ye show no. Ah, mankasa.
Na bra boni sunya o wen di nka. Ya tadi. Yes, so papa ya no yes you.
That's a Bondi dia me Bondi da na. Bondi ja wa.
David Bondi.
Ya mo.
Pentecost ni ma papa.
Really stop I no have a PP press conference in response to president directive said I'm on for a 4 more before December 7th. And I think maybe we need a national dialogue to find a lasting solution to this. Because another Mikasa said, either say as a country we come to consensus say, you need declare Obi as president-elect, we should swear in the person on that same day. And I say, we can tell ourselves, say, you declare any partner until 7 January. The government no one leave the country to be on autopilot. So maybe a year this back and forth because it's in the end it's a 4 year. What happened when the Kufuor took over? What happened when we took over? In terms of quite Obia now you so best sacrifice it, the payback. That means they are ending all these things. So maybe as a country, do you think say we will need to sit down, come to an agreement on how to deal with this issue?
Answer the best comedy so me incha ahefo ene adofo ene nyina no mo hweyen na titu ne adehye wa achim da o madarumenti beti hase na aseme dapo no so edi hu nkomo no zi bibi kakra o se ebia de Akufo-Addo ye so o chimi kire me de Akufo-Addo ye ya kebebo am discussion
make reference to near NDC focus near Akufo-Addo.
Oh yeah, then.
Yeah. It's so pam go for.
Why?
The pam. Or more.
Why ya? I am futu near to go amongfwe.
Monty.
Yam fabobia. Yam pamobia. Yenim die fa Adom level. Yenim die fa Shrag boss. Yenim die fa NCC boss. They are all in place apart from Dom Levois and Nema Fufubi. A buy it also.
The civil servant, Tromoya form a dreamer, sending a year pam other and Kofa.
But say, and Kofa can, Moka, no Maka National Service. And right, the check with the former minister, my former and National Service boss, who is the as-well Minister for Sports.
Yeah.
Or say, or buy, you know, there were petitions to Public Services Commission. Ewo enkrofobia ya fa wo mo a wo susu senya kwampa so no mu fa wo petitions to a statutory body Public Services Commission etinu odo di podi ede nya de ehia no but ohwe na agitations ba more did you take it so mo take ye no say and na omo yield to Public Service Commission for petition no a omo de ba no no omo ntra che na ye nsanye fofo recruitment for. That's what happened. There was nothing like say Jafabwe ye ba be to mo ba mu de yomedi. I me pobi ya be ka say me be yibedi. Esa say ni same.
But you see that general letter na ye from chief of staff no. Ye nya be under president na
Debbie. I know they dangerous no. Na me ya say ye Julius Debra. We are father so. Ade we a dangerous trap party asset ya man. Because ene efie biara a obi ewo mu a wonya adwuma abrantie mabunu bi a wako school ne mame ahwe ne papa ahwe no na wachire kom ayampaye akoda dumfa akoda twea abompaye manyankopon aye aboa no na wonya adwuma no na ene wo se ye ma na adwuma ansa ye to abada se ye to abawi ye no nya na point letenti onkonko trafie ene Ghana division ababeda hono aye kakra tokro bia babedem ekabia babeda wo mo a ye nim so me NDC a ye pamu we mu ne afa wo mo ye pamu we mu nipa we mu me Ghana for ye pamu wo mo na NDC fo afa mo nkrofo sa nipa ye fa wo mo obi enu no ma nim so MPP na ye NDC ni me I can tell you for a fact obi enu no ma nim so ye NDC na MPP ye fa wo so me Ghana for and then let away fly the latest cry Ghana Health Service Ghana Health Service because me what ministry nti I know what went on internet and nipa do ye fa wo na bisa so oh say be na so there be this is for them on count because money the procedure no aye finchem ya clearance and now so ye now so ye nyan man this cry raise on the floor say fragadam ye timi fa nipa bia ye the dada wo mo election hwan ne ade and you go through process no uko Ghana Health Service ha ye wo say kwa fa so fa nipa Ghana Health Service Ministry of Health for portal ye bi portal no ukom na so ukom na ye ya udin bekem u submit documents na ye ya udin bekem uko na say ye na you are not qualified to be there e be bounce back iti ubekom wa be fill documents ya di gina na wa go through process no as akọ ye post to a particular region ebu no be call that region be ye close iti no region wo no na wa apply open charge so a no wa apply akọ na ya fa wo ho din na ye go through that process in ye post nkrofo yi obi wo no ma ye post no no enyema bi nti wanti mi anko the post in term because bo one ma afi na okakọ dan afi na okakọ settle afi na okakọ tototo nyema bi aswakọ it is okoye ampeniampa say we go through all this process now one contempt the appointment letter near after 7th December edi enti na also pamusa ni pan edi enti na also pamusa ni pan sankofo nyinara enne wodi awerɛhoɔ aba beto omo so ewo fie ɔmawofo ɔmabusuafo wɔn yɛ mi sɛ enne eyeda enka me fofie da bi anka bidi esa say last year by this time any bomb di as deputy minister for health aguzokai there 14th February one of the best valentine gift and anado dan kwakufado edemame one of the worst valentine message valentine gifter NDC for their magana mebunu any sa letters here fly around yi abrantie bi a wanya adwuma a ondi valentine da afia wonim so wanya adwuma ntie ne valentine obeto bibia ma nkan chima na yire bia na so obi ni ade no ene ma na letter odi agreho na ekofie west gift NDC edi ama Ghana mebunu for na reset no am promise Ghana for enie
okay ti minister mo letter be ewa hanom which was signed by Honorable Kwaku Agyeman that time I read now they are to TV so they be ahwe for so bit me afoloye mediama bumisa abante na onfa entusna ahwe for to entimi follow. So the letter was dated 10 February 2017. All heads of agencies. Suspension of recruitment of health professionals. I refer to our earlier letter with reference number HRHD/DIR/01/017/07 dated 31st January 2017. I wish to request that you suspend all recruitment activities for the 8,634 nurses and other head staff until further notice. The suspension is not a cancellation, but to allow the Ministry of Health to finalize all issues related to the financial clearance. Kindly take steps to inform all your officers accordingly. You will be duly informed as soon as the final clearance is granted. Signed, Honorable Kwaku Agyeman, Minister of Health. Copy, Chief Director, Minister of Health. The Director, HRHD, Ministry of Health.
ATDC sabre no.
Okay.
Ya ma financial clearance ansa ya fa nipa ewa dwumem. At that time na financial clearance aba. But number no a what to di no 8,000 no.
634.
A bro financial clearance ade e dia ma no. Na a bro financial clearance e dia ma no. Ti minister ne ba ye no. A financial clearance do se ni ama. Eto de bi eti ma financial clearance kwa na bi ebi aka ye ba ye financial clearance ya ma bia no ebi ka cause to be an ama especially in the health sector yetimi ma ebia say ye fa nipa be 5000 be na ebia nipa be 4005 and I apply 5000 na ye estimate ye no ye estimate o ma wie school ebu o no ma we be wie school no na we nya adwuma wo baabi ebu o no ma no atu kwan nti ye de nim obsaje man na no mo meka nkyere to we be portal for this number of personnel but on be wie no na ebiaka it is time best one timely financial class timely e be do bribe no na I expire.
Okay.
It is going to be unfailing within that period now I expire. This was exactly what happened in this case. Okay. It means that the buyer say, oh, you suspend the intern letter no was actually say kai who say when you cancellation. So kan yeah. Cancellation in just say you twam. Or say mon suspend mon twentwen so na yen hyehyeye a obi e be fa ne bia ne betu atua ne ka. I challenge any health personnel na nurse or car say no ka we hu no ka cohort yi hu a after this letter no or tin afie yamfa na adwuma. I challenge. Ye ba mu no ne nim nipa dodo a NDC for amfa o madwuma nti o mtifie. Nurses dodo a NDC for amfa o mu amfa o madwuma nti do mtifie. It backlog na wo ho we all know this is a no na yi. Any abomadi afa wo mo so the latest year 2020 that was around 15,000 see a be portal amom 2024 it is for about 3-4 years and this one for the pa it is na be gu ye so the every year be for the pa na ye fa nipa ka so mo form na be do say it is the be mo mpo no nipa dodo na wo so ye form 2020 no na e bi aka it is bi ka omo ye 2020 no e bi benya access to it.
Okay.
So that's it. It is this particular letter a flow to around the nam near dinner no and she say you cancel ubi appointment. Nemom ye ma obotwentwen so e man hihye ya wo se ye ansa ye fa wadwuma wo sika sam no wakatu ansam no etimi ago through no etimi aye sa letter current letter abaye fi GHS boss no mo o se omo am nko payroll so no mo ne ade yina no mo cancel enso obi ya fa no clearance wo ho obi ni ho no mo a ye se ya fa no system no man na o se only clearance for the payment of the salaries ade na ye de ba oman mu ni pay ye na see the air politics believe on it air politics if you na so na say ye pam so kotrefi oni obi antwe if you na so na say oba ba mu a wa ba mu oni obi antwe ye de no ye de no ye te ase ye say ye political appointees ye politics ne na de ye reduce politics now to an extent say abaya dwuma bia mu no enche empani mu ni mu ade enche obi asebe ote ya ne so a wo hwe so kura no ye beka sa ban se so so sesa no which is what is happening. Let me this is what is happening. Etino oman no na ye chemu saa kwaye dan oman no ye chemu saa kwaye dan na we no ebia na obi enye party ni bi afie se omu yi ankrofo yina na so omukofo mu hye adwuma mu a se be ye ba ban mu a sa di pa no kai hunu se mfie na pe na wanya adwuma. Oh, Minia, I'm telling you. I am telling you, sir, I did wait almost some and cost of the air. Now, quite a come at the home. And the bitch said, Bassana na Ghana, no, ya bet you. If you may be a to a baby, ni pay me coffee. Then you pay because South Foya Yafa woman. Thousands of youth. More by Mobile Criteria Juma. Musemo Baba Yajuma. A Juma no Bobama Busua, Mamma by 24 hours. 331 say 313 say 133 say. Boka yana mebunu etudi machi. Munyanya no de ya ye no musemo mukotefie. Adan. Munyanya de momuka ye 24 hours. 1113 say.
Ye fa ne na bia hu say aban sesa. Obeye adwuma that number of period and power.
Me say maminka se me kiro. Yan mrase bejafo mrante kakra ebo mu mikwa de manyini. Mrante kakra ebo mu ayi wo mrase bedwam. And this is for that chere ye nyansa papa. Woma chere ye nyansa. Na ye mpanifo no ye di ka chere wo. Se ye ntisa but ye sua se ye be sa. Kwa yan hwe ya ye mabunu no omo di achi. A wo mo wo ye mu ahwehwemu ne ne daso no. Dachi ye from komo me di achi bio. Enti no ne enisifo ye nyinara ye sua. Ye sua dachi ye mpanifo do munya botre ye de ntisa no me de keke ka ho no moka ye ntie moka ye ntie mo obibi ka o man ye nyina ye dia ye ntu anisifo rofo do munya mebunu no munya adwuma enne he me de bia meka ade ma me yi me nimba politics mu pa ni ade say NDC ba mu and that melt yi me free health insurance. I was so desperate enough to work. Me ye juma, brantia my ye juma, my background bebre, my media, my way, me kasama health insurance. I was so passionate be pay juma no, me am to me car. Me Mercedes Benz if you call enzima e campaign ma NHIs. Sabe na fe na aba foforo. Ye yi made ne kofa beto kwa me o retiree. Bia o retirement e be share be position. Sabre no o be kai yabo atijai e ka wo TV so or ka radio so because it became a topical issue. E ka se kwesi e kwa mayi na die yi. Na mo piano into politics a do. Apeni ampa. E sheme libre. Ese mebufu ka say oh ene na me so say that here dia ene na be yi edima ya adwuma no ene na ma be do sa pempe so iti omo mu ye omadi nyina no mo de ya obi na ehye wo mu say safo no wo fo so ya ordinary citizen o hia so obey politics o hia say obey politics as we nya emwa bi ni ade a ene wo the politics da ba be pam no ti sa di pa no why you the politician prekope na mo ni mo to abama mo Oma ya form adwuma me brebu na yamfa nipa wadwuma se we NDC ni MPP ni o dabi obiara ye nim se obeti yafa na adwuma na obi a wo fa na nurse adwuma mu we dem so NDC ade no oti portal echi na wo bogum wonim se ade ba kwa ye mebu no di bufu ye ne se bibia se digitalization computer so okay MPP essence ye mpese ye be de se yafa ye nko anko nti the portals were many adwuma bi e be fa bia na supporter Inti obi otimi rem bia no say on this video say people obi anim ye hia no so otimi rem na ya fam iti mo be pamo sa afo yi na be senafie e bia me de apart from say enkwala no mabunu no e be ha wo no kaye be de it will kneel to my political benefits because the bufu e be bus system nim na man for their chairman in 4 years time no e be boa me but can we continue like that?
That's one day
Menua ma menchio na menchia menua pani ani Ghana fo amanya bra mo hwe me NDC fo nyina ani MPP fo Ghana fo nyina emse nkomo aye die nye ne na ahya ase o kai de we a MPP fo ebra nana na do danko akufo ado take over 2016 Omoko pamu abrante bi ano ye security coordinator se den wo Kumase. Ohu de bi omo twe ne hwe fom. Pam ne pimpia no obi a owo yire wo mma. No omo de ne twe fom enam so me de omo kokot kura wo mutumi ebumra so 23 court dem wona judge ne die America fan tokuam ni ade. Ho ne ye fra bedru bebi a yedru yo. Na se we de atufo bo When the any brebiani ayamo, let a kekania issue say more after December 7 election, no. Yes, it's some gum near baby ama with the mutia koshano. Yes, son, ye funny pay jumem. Aho, mommy and cano crunch ya ho Ghana hakakra. A banya wo wabet na ho. 8 years near no waben. When you say when yes we be for Ghana for ye jumem. First 4 years abetwem. Another 4 years aba. When you say enkrofo we when yes ye for me jumem. What na say magana for koto aba. Eyi mu afra bam. Enam katasehye proye dwene kankan. Ya mudi enti. Se de mo ye Ghana na Ghana sey. Ni eyi mu se munko fie. Ya botwini ni ya mi etwa ni ozi aka masa baako na ne na ogina hani ni ya ebo na afe na mo kosesa mo party fo emabunu a esun adwuma mo ama won ni wo mo age aye ha woni a aye MPP fo aboa mo aba party aba ban mo a 8 years mo mfi wo mo afe na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, where we need election, war befa Ghana, more say at it in wapansam no.
ni aba ba ye ni yie ni reset economy no na mo akosisa mo party mebudu nyina begu mu cho bebre kura ni mbebia wona ekọ eni ane se ya fa wadwuma mu ei na ye noa ne sen na men Ghana ye kọ ne sen ni e de anya atwosam ni hwe ye MPP lose election 2016 look
the NDs and
MPP lose election 2024 menua from December 7 ba so we contractors ye twetwa wo ka so we financial burden ye de ato abanya ba iso a abisa ho say what's so significant so important about all those things I'm telling you.
Okay.
So we call a transition team now. Almost every single day now Felix Ofosu honorable minister in charge of communication at the presidency. Now
government communication.
Government communication. Now our issue statement. So there are some financial burdens that you are putting on the government that is taking over power.
The people what the mama say.
And they're important.
The people was it a financial burden say ye ma new contract and our contract what mama for a year we no any etu omoka
menua contract ni bi wo ho a
okay
ya ye wie
okay
wo bi a chase ni certificate be 6 7 8 months 1 year
yeah
ye ntwia ye
okay
once a ye lose election ye hu say ye party ba ne pepepe no no must scan no.
But would it not be in
hold on
and yet to the advantage of Abine because they as a contractor not Jomamanda
Obi biara why contract Amagana genuinely no as ye trianica.
Yeah.
But you see a dear Mampa Americana wood to year. What can you well lose election? Jaina Banya Wobby. We are having crater, say. A kana wotu akura no aden about 2 years ago na nipa ni we wentri aka aden na wotu ni say ya ye we fra ben
that's why and yesade be di sam komo we say and yesade be sam komo we say so are we saying say ye to abawe na electoral commission declare obi president elector the current government no ma onye hwe
you see the point I'm making is that it is important that government no was no onyanko ye no as a so obu man, but you see, you must be reasonable with the things that you do, not to unduly put financial burden on the person that is taking over. It is for NDC, it is for MPP, it must be like that. Menuya, look, say NDC it's condemnable. Their MPP and baby. Yeah, look, MPP winning election 2016 no. And your man Crofoko mo krom and agro. John Jinapo, ni fie, ni money ni yiri go ne bovra ho. And ye young Crofaya kayaka de okrom hanu. Anya de keto I'm not saying say ya de papa. What do you mention no?
Yeah.
But they say let us not behave as if in seed. No. For me, these people are your appointment here are revoking, If they feel they are so legitimate and so deserving of the appointment, they can make their case. Of course. Yeah, one more, as I say, more Musa who will do that. But you see, the point I'm making is that
Vondi,
don't unduly pack the public sector just because you are living power.
But
no one consists of MPP for no.
The processor, the process to go through.
Yes.
Yenim say enye 1 day of senior even private sector kra no enye oba ya be interview ya na afa o take process abai enye sika ebi won ma obeko interview kra we bi a 1 year time sa kwa na ya fro say appointment prior ready. Now are we saying say per argument I'll make now say the next government eba right after beer 2028 say 2032 can the government also use this same excuse and from Pamon Crofua, we be more modumana.
Menuya, dear mate, I want to say, we can't continue to make the mistakes that we're making.
Okay.
I agree with you.
Okay.
But you see, there are certain things that are not mistakes. Okay. They are deliberate.
Ebi edian.
Ebi ni se wufra bam. Ya to ade make ya to aba maw. 8 years what na bam. One for obi adwumam.
De be nya no kre.
Mebo. One more ya for my message here and some
one day.
Me say one more ya for almost see and some ya revoke our appointment ya come.
Okay, 8 years I'm 4 be.
No, that is not the point. That is not the point. The impulse of what I said no is in relation to one more ya revoke our appointment in one Well, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Me I be ni so nim sa
Yeah,
Remember, I'm fan from Chow in your life. They are making an cell. One more wafa within the space of time I will lose election.
Okay.
Up to time a year handy over. No?
Yeah.
You had 8 years. And can bet me for my judgment.
One say.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. And the point is that from the time I will lose election, anytime I will hand over no. And Crawford would do a good juma musesiano. Aye juma bayan wo mu bayan ta wanyan na bayan wo be wan he the legitimacy of their employment and to approve it. Necessary we wo mu gumu akin anikin. Why will you do that? Why would you pack all those people? Aye mu Crawford abegu aban mu sa.
Aye Crawford ya revoke my appointment. Ye be fa Ofori Atta shemu ana.
Well, I am not the employment minister.
Okay.
I don't know whether or not it is important to employ more people into the public sector.
On my job list, I can tell you.
Fact is that
from NDC
fact
MPs
is
and
that
NDC constituencies, on my list.
Fact is that I have no idea what the employment minister will be doing. But the point I'm making to you is that it is not proper. Say we are NDC or say we are MPP. You are to Obama or no lose election. What you should be doing is superintend over what is there. What is here? Na economy no there. Share ebia wo ye handing over note near there. You are making sure that there is peace and there are no anarchy here and there. Now we share near there. But major decisions, don't take them. Don't. Because who yes sir. Ebia na ban na wo ba no. Wonim ne vision baby opeso odefa. One we no create undue pressure. Ama baina or bano. The woman yafa woman juma yaka ho asemi. At the end of your speciality, Juma Ben woman is so important within these few days. And it told me to me na banya or be mehen one. Why would you do it if there is no ill motive? If the intention is not to pack your people. And I'm saying that both NDC and MPP, that is not a good practice.
But near course
that's not a good practice.
But near course yen fan to it me pen for nya crowd so mesu ya bibia de free mo no kure wo no enti so you obi
abenya
obi abenya
I will need a charge mo 5k
obi any see
keep faith with us
so it means that one day America no yen ready both at the top obi anya ready etu ye baburu na unya adwuma under NDC Fatu team say MPP ba obepamo. Unya adwuma under MPP a Fatu team say NDC ba obepamo. We ene sa yempenefo a me no mienu kosa line eto abade mo omo no.
O criticize yan dodo, dia na oye. O criticize yan dodo. Amanyo samfo na nya koto abama. You are being sarcastic. And nya koto abama
na ya se vo se ba.
Ya dodo.
Amanyo fo na ye.
Koto abanu elu so be no asesa party for be guni apamu wa. We say na apamu wa. We be fa o ma se ya to aba.
Enu na make.
Ye fo ma se ya to aba.
Ya te say there. Hey, ale na asa.
Messi penfo a imini mi ko sa lie ewia kete so.
Si ya to aba dia mo. Kete ra na no pa yan do aba.
Obon kom ko fro.
But see, they have the opportunity to stop what is going on.
So let's stop here. Honorable Kwesi, no question. That make us say we need a national dialogue.
When you national dialogue, come dialogue, no committee, wabeti bebre no. Adoso take a decision. Me Ghana for ye buy see be create a nyuma. Nyuma no kwa ye nyam be create bi. Number be create unemployment. You have the opportunity NDC. Mo wa kwenya se mo be sisade ya no. Mo na mo wa ba mu. Mo ntoto niema. Mo se mebunu ni bo. Omo wo mu nya wo mo. Na mo san create bi ma foforo na eba no. I know what I'm talking about. Mo to aso yes anu a mo say o man no because rewe hoi mo ja empaditi hu da.
Yeah, come lava.
Mutiana oma one is omba microphone. Ompa mo bia.
We emfa Emra Bedwam so on Adom TV. Ye discussion. But happy birthday confirma Nana Ejewa Oseya wo Manchester UK. Ya me go nshira na onyo kese ko iso be ye kese pa. Happy birthday. Enko emfa Emma. Nana Ejewa say of Manchester UK. And also happy birthday and confirm Nyankasem ba Valentina Nana Ejewa aka Efia Schwarzenegger. Happy birthday. Ego F. Make us a Franco Trade Enterprise. So beto phone beto munchen. Omko na ton phone papa ye free. Baby a manufacture phone no enchen direct. And to say ye Nokia, Samsung, iPhones. Open smart TV ranging from 32 to 100 inches. Franco air condition from 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower. Or CCTV camera so hanum any chimukrana. Ebe choose a seed ba say there obi a to CCTV camera. I don't care if I have few on them. Bin one come be chiri musa obi no be. Could be a crane. It is
official.
To CCTV.
Jakpa is a national security. CCTV.
The part of Franco for all
host.
CCTV. Franco for number is 0246 422 338. 0246 422 338 and 0555 939 311 0555 939 311. Franco was a still phone papa if ye and one of them. So can Ofori Atta special prosecutor. Also you wanted. And I can Ofori Atta so a 20 free of me. I know Johnny. Oh quite.
Kenny Nyane.
One I got first.
But a BBS 70.
Kenny Nyane.
Oh what's what Johnny?
Kenny Nyane. Oh. Ken Chiro letter the my former chief of staff.
Okay.
Answer na ofia ba mu kura say okohwe ne ho yade. Current chief of staff bayi on share na CEO.
Yeah.
On share Yura Julius de Brase.
Yeah.
And so the nyansa mu no we hu no say he's one of the longest serving finance ministers. Inti aban fufura be e bia kwan bi so ubehia no ni nchiremu bi. To sa Chiro letter e de ma chief of staff say
oh sir.
Aye.
Aside from us all paradian.
What aside from my
Julius Debra.
Yes.
Do you have a copy of that letter?
Yes, and now my minority leader confirmed it. So I need Julius Akasa. Julius was honest enough to say I can I'm a letter.
So what to quite?
What to quite? You know, edition. Maybe OSP Makase 1 ye create OSP sebe say aban bi eti akonya so na ne ho nkrofo eye dwurum ne kata hye mpo a OSP no ya create say wo authority wo independence say ubetimi aye nhwehwemu.
Okay.
That was to cure the limitations of Attorney General. What I say?
Yeah.
Aha. It no say ye create ye no na bra ye wa ban mo ti akonya so na ye raken Ofori Atta wa ha. Ya can Ofori Atta o try couple say ye to abawie me oba me constituency be campaign e ma wachim da ti de ne hu so Ghana it is sabre no na se sansami ya wa body nyina se oppress obeboa won hwehwemu no eye niema na ewo ho ye na anim ebie ne won ma ye foforo ensem a OSP dia to dwa nyina ye ensem dada sabre no na ohia se papa no ba ma hwehwemu a ade na sabre no wan to nsamfre no na we free aban so na ohwe ne yade na ne lawyers wa ha odim say ye mamre mu no wo ho kwan say wo bo ho ban say obi nhye da amfa incriminate you ye wo ye constitution mu say intina so police chief wo timika say you have the right to remain silent kasa obekampo ye wo dia na say ewura ken Ofori Atta wa ha na say oko OSP ho a ono ansore according the lawyers the beko and some of babisa no the lawyers e de be che no kwa onfa so yin ya no o da say it is a no ni ha na the lawyer for no wo ho audio mu dis awoso a edien ene ehwehwenim na o de betena radio so eye press conference did this one body wanted. Call to Ben and I'll call ye. And you 2 minutes of body wanted. In a swabby now the body wanted. Abra bibia chile say or no ones I was with ye.
But also a crata can offer lawyers the bread now. Crata rajum poning a dapoti a crufrata de bagana.
Sabi or no or yare. Onim dad who beton no aba. As ye. We yare no, unim da who beton. Oh, ebia me bowa, me no medru. Be na ochuba hu me no die. Baby ana me ho atobi. Enum po eye wa ku kekempo no. Obeche be na ochuba ku na ochu me no. Na ebia na enkoi. Obi enim yade o yade. Yade edi na ku pia ma no ne die. Obi anso nim se papa na ne ho mfa no papa. Enti ne said, or kwa hefa. And ne abase we will arrest his dead body, says NDC Deputy General Secretary. Enti no always say kana Ofori Atta akono. Onko na owumpo a obeche dead body. Oh, enwanu mo NDC for. Oh, aya na ha me say ye woniema bi a ama NDC na enya akono.
Nwanwo MPP.
Ye woniema bi a na ama NDC nya akono. Etimodin sem say na ema NDC nya akono. Nenne esa niema bi atwam a enne no Ghana for area ye finti mmabunu ni ade a eba no omuru afi huriye a boja mpadi tiri ho omuru afi nti mmabunu no akodi enwanu NDC for echi na nka be take advantage of it na ma cleaning muslate no ben na mo yesa ade wi na mo Deputy General Secretary to me the sanse mi betu dwa se owu kura e be chi ni mu no nyaminti Ofori Atta onwo owu obesan ba na waba be yi in 7 nano ado ye finance minister de wo mu bia no ba be yi ano na make us a lawyer for ho a ensem bia da wo pese oyi ado bia no obetime yi ano edenti na wo ba be gu na nima se wo body wanted abra no wo Ghana wo so wo Ghana OSP na wo Ghana bi na de hame and say OSP press conference no o ka say raid the course wo Iraq and Ofori Atta fee ho no from the intelligence it was staged. And then a PSA was not staged. Why should the OSP, I didn't know OSP, no, a man who can need to be questioned intelligence. Also from the intelligence, OSP intelligence is so dear, can you find Niagara? Because it's a main investigative body. It is a OSP intelligence and Timianga that said that raid, you know, was a raid from national security. Aye Rajakpa and Ra. Majority leader Ajia to say it's national security operative. Nipa no ojina quarter no and say ya clearing agent, chief clearing agent adwumenti ya clear wo mu nyina no and then national security afano a okokretio mini eno and pay me who latest video bi na ye work no frata ma ye di tuo gina omo so I have the video here. I'll show you. But what's the
first name is Sisia.
I was so shocked.
First enemy.
Say, hey, na die ni. Enra em say metro for yi. Metro for the program. Omo yi. Na die na eba so Ghana yi. E die na ekoso yi. E die otan, o die yawdie. E na be hye yenua no NDC for mu a ene
Adom say ya ne program o se metro for yi.
Omo dey say good.
No dey say MPP ni program.
Omo dey say good.
Onu plan contract afen na ye be kono so. Ora for no. Who decorate Ghana na etua okasa no. Ye be kwa no so
anyo no wasem de ka ye ka tu ya ye ko
etu ba ne ye akwa ohu tu bi wan fa
oh soldier for ko
ohu tu bi ajade oya no eh what's your de akwa otu akwa gina ka Ofori Atta nkwala so ko Ofori Atta nkwala be na wo Ghana ha ye de etu akwa kire no so ohu ne jade oya no Ghana for hwen
can Ofori Atta man ni Ghana
you dey tu akwa kire ngina no so
obu tuo
ani hwe de oya
jakpa kwatuo
I don't know what you say or really Johnny say move
oh ne me wo video so me video be send o agasi odi akira mami fan send mami fan send no na God of na nhwe bi agasi mami fan send no na God of na nhwe bi na yera OSP say pen intelligence no this was a stage eti no edna na make say ye movie Ofori Atta be ne 1 and 2 starring Jakpa as the lead actor.
Jakpa killer ni Jakpa killer Jakpa Blowman Ofori Atta 1 and 2 we be Ghana sika be yi anu a we dwani 1 and 2
you cannot say that
you cannot say allegedly beboa okay ni allegedly usik after na say okay allegedly we be Ghana sika me say be yi anu 1 and 2 allegedly What print can one print in the year be year no we Johnny 1 and 2 allegedly can also
Can the frat many who 1 and 2 starring
amani hunu ni do
as a lead actor.
It doesn't, you see, my principles are clear.
Okay.
It doesn't matter whether you are NDC or MPP. You must be accountable to your own stewardship.
Okay.
You must be accountable to your own stewardship. And in me fa kwenya we so atu NDC foa. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Emma wo ma adwumai. Ye appoint wo me woni wo mo. But you see, I have total belief and trust in them. So ombe ye adwuma pa. All the ministers I have for me, Dr. Atufo more need. I have so much trust in them. Ombe ye adwuma papa.
Hey!
And I know they would be truthful and honest to Ghana and the Ghanaian people. However, now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba Cape Coast no. Asam o kan ye ne se. Aba ye di boteshi no. Enu an ye di bebo ban.
Ye di bebo baba ni suma pai.
Allah. Enti no wa yama we dwuma. Na oni made ba kwa ya na ye menwanwa. Ye ba obi din so ya minister. Ubehwe na himfofo abusuafo ni constituency fo nya de ekire ebehwe vetting no. Eho na obestart aboka. Eho na no start na omba nya ka no omde baba. Omanya dua no ombedie. Ebi wakron baba ne vetu anadwo a omeda made achembo a. Eho no na start so aka. Enti monhwe yie na yede aye obi no obi ameyawo. That is the first advice I'm giving my NDC for afiti. Can Ofori Atta. You see, ye hu bra na mo ye campaign. Na mo ti kuwa. Your friend will let my vote count for. Na mo ni na mo amoye campaign. Na mo kan sama kese kire Ghana for. Sabre no. Na dollar no. Aye 3.9 Ghana cedi. Na wo koto dollar into $100,000. So okay, 3.9 billion old CD, and now 390,000. No, when $100,000. Me a businessman, I know what I'm talking about. We've handled dollars, you know what I'm saying.
30.
And in tenor, Oriano, would ya ja and muja was the master. And na wona wo ye economic messiah ne ayi oba no afa bible de bia no ahye hwenti na say me say white kra na ya me ferie wa hye white abet na how the Lord will provide my needs according to his riches or kasati de ni tremo de what time dollar na fi 3.9 anamwa de akọ 17 point de wa he ama wa wuti he kra wo ka woni e kasa Ofori Atta kufa no mpam no wo ka ho mi hu na aginem
anyinem
wo ginem na akasi empam no
da bi wo kasa mi gidem a
na me kasa no ba ya no yo ma ya ni se ni ma me nua ba no mo pam no a won kodi dan
president kufa na kan
ai bia no waka na wonyina ho nti wontumi ni mechim mo no amekasa wanka
oka kire wo
mo ka kiram
da be
na dan na opese mbodi ase wo mo so kan
da be
wo kan bra ni ase yempam ai Ofori Atta
o ko hobi
man ko ho ofrem ka kiram an wa job rantan to ho
president kufa no frɛ ka kiram
mi ka kiram ai o ka kiram
ofrɛ ka kiram
na no wa from fo so na
wodi
ano ka kiram o mi mani abre
wodi
tie me wo Ofori Atta charges ya de abo wo nyina akora no se no mpo anya charges ya de bo wa se de wa ye dollar ni cedi aye no nka wo wa no yi asese wo yi number 2 wa sika wo ma printing sika no mo si safri Ghana de akọ
vondi
ena me no ka se cathedral yi nyansa yanto yesua sebi mpreduasa mano da somana so hwe uko a free central university ho kono a asase go ho yantam Ghana ekrom ha atoku asasenki ye bue economy no mu anka cathedral ya wa wo si wa hye nyame boyi kona ko manka si yapon kona ko si wo ho wa ba babubu passport office judge for day nyina wo wie nso a we sika over $50 million shin free mu my 500 million and 50 million
$58 million
$58 million shin free mu ama wo wie a wo de ne kokwasa sam yare we dwane wan nanti wo de ne ho akadwa wo dwane asi wo beyi ne ho ano na tie dia won ye enya Ofori Atta nko na be fa ne nso o wo bi biara we wi a wansi he to mama na ni abre o wo bi biara be fa bansika wansi wo be fe
but say
ani ti mu nso amu ba mu se sia no to mama say
parliament Malaysia what did you what you for ati mokwa happy birthday and confirm mic off happy birthday to Matilda Owusu of Bibiani Old Compound. But as a media question, Mama and Mama, and Kwabra Sante.